Oko Facebook Reswa, Sompa 93.1 FM. Now one follow, now one share now to message Raba. Oko YouTube Reswa, Sompa TV. Now one subscribe to Damae. Now to message Raba, and you can count the amount. And I paid in some to be Premier Depa. Meeting Anna Rachel Chris, Adam Sakowa Mackenzie. Call me Dalato Ken. And the show is Full-Time Sports. Live on Sompa. Aha, me patrol bar. And yet, Papa say, Mama say, you're more the realities on the ground. Near more powerful discussions. Now, partner members no be at us here. They're not really, you know, was also say, I had the right direction now. You did Ghana football no Efaswa. And never bet to Massa, and a yaka. Yan come from Fewobi into the Sompa 93.1. And I pay Yan Summa to be brave. At the Abramo Kabapa, maybe Piasso at me every pay. Also, Coach Otuado Abomating, and so at me Romoha, and Thomas Tempate, I couldn't come on. Now, only Thomas Tempate couldn't come on or Patchester, and Yama, one more a year blaster coach, and I'm from a pound for Moyano, and you meant to Bancoye, and Thomas Tempate, Sompa, not sentiment in commodity yet. Sebastian Fay, yet the duties natural tampon, someone to be pay, and a air bar, your buffia. You didn't know that's what Babamo and we had to bet to the so full-time sports and our so good for with you know Jeffrey Asari, the apostle. Trust now I get to be acting como Bishop Atapoku ha and of Michael Akomia the Messiah. Now you betting como pano paying 7 dollars pa. You baby Romo UEFA Champions League demo. Now I get in como and my Manchester would to be pray as what to be so the last run of the group stage of the 2024-2025 season of the UEFA Champions League. As what to be to the clubs I want to be brave. And I just couldn't be a con, a jabomo, one more swa, or someone to be called knockout stage, you know. You may run there the duties, that's what bar. I may be Piason, let me a conquering full-time sports, and I was Suguswa, would you know what I say, and 70 a dorsal power. It's a matter of ultimately and commono. Now, Oko Facebook also. Now we follow, now we share, now what to message to the bus, Sompa 93.1 FM. Now we follow, now we share, now to message to the bar, and I feel what Doroman Pachoba Room, our YouTube and also, I know yes, Sompa TV. Now what subscribe now to message the bar, near Kinkai, and so the bar no pay, I'm a Piason, at Maconkai, it's a pest, what to make car, Uber Room, our gentleman dental clinic. What I say now, what do how anyone money, as so I call na gentleman better. Yenyo Ricardo Varas echi na me patrofist and dito sinyano what the boss say a brand to the way who ewo kumasa ne kana Ricardo Varas was masa a bon a fist of media enya sekretokra obedu jam na wetu na ditos ne koso aso ewo fie Cinco de Mario Mr. Wack ana for Orlando ana omotaj medi na china for Roland Anthony Boateng Roberto Firmino the finisher woman a produce jumedino ko gentleman dental clinic na fe fa wo hawo no amane e ko omo de e ban ese ani anum kanwo juma woman a ege ne kama panti no pay so what yen kan wo romo gentleman dental clinic woman cha kwan e wo Abepo Johnson na Dana UMP Bank woman no ya wo ne so pe ya ne mata the school na tin hwede ya pen total filling station no enti bania show kama wo pesti no mo jefo no mu ba wo se tinam na yemre what as the crab wonum kaka na etokro wo obu aso na se na se nkawankawa abeso sase masa enime nkoye fama no anam patcho no pe wotimenka na se me patcho se no pese e paye fita wo de gentleman dental clinic ana fe wo senetu wo pese we presia e gentleman dental clinic ko maso ye ana wo ko na me patcho betuma show kama ama bibia so to ba mi patcho wo se no wo pese wo se the gold anasa silver se eye pure gold anasa pure silver no ni nyina e wo ya so ye wo ba ye be show kama na fe yetimi asave so ama bibia so betuma ko e dama wadorman patcho for gentleman dental clinic and put the phone money komo 0559139582 0559139582 Yahoma ubetuma for gentleman dental clinic na fe won perform that's what to komo St Andrews SHS and FW me patcho papa no papa mano o person to the school owia obetuma tweye padia and your school when I make come for Damon, and your St. Andrews SHS, or Master and I make come for them, sir, for Papa no Nano, or Fasino, or Papa Manufacturer, no couldn't cost you there, now a bunny general arts, a bunny general science, a bunny business, home economics, a bunny visual arts, a bunny agriculture science, Ninano, yet to the time, what I say, a credible course could be not there. This is St. Andrews SHS. On also dim a chronicle, the patriarch coin, our assume for so Rich FM, above Sedimoa, Anna Nubu, St. Andrews SHS, Utu Mankasim, Utu Dunkonofe, Anafe, Utu Savia Samuel, New at the Piace, Hanum Yanabu Yachaquine, and your name 0244 696911 0244 696911. I am a bit to my first St. Andrews Nafe. One woman that's where etiquette come. I'm a Piasson that my question down. And to be catch us a promotion was subject to my pause in neutral in boost Heba Mester. Nepinum, Nepipo, now what Tatasian, that's what the Papa in boosting Chanaswa, just a Yadibia Educru piano, what any in boost Heba Mester, Unumbi. Now, a common way you're saying, on common way you're dear, Yadibia to say, and when the Pajanas with Yachina, Unya and Watrono, in boost Heba Mester Babwao, nothing, let me to Yadina say, now what Tatasian, that's what Abba, or pause in that tradition Chanaswa, a Guswa, a Yetuma, or Mamu Baby a tone no piano. What you also pay in boost Heba Mester no Ubenabi, not for Wabo ball, Nan Yamaswa Tobacco so down in Boston on the patrol Pedua or Bomaton Farman 0246 208 496 0246 208 496 Yahoma Ubetoma in boost Heba Mester when in perform also etiquette in Comal I'm a Piason etiquette kind me patro de to say what Doroma so open sua Estaya dear, open swa, a bit of my system, let my working your party, a kanjan and magic drinking water.
Sompa FM.
Woman at the alkaline water, no, and some temperature, so nasty to talk, when your alkaline water be, that's a wobo, now no numa, me patron, you may be a abopo with the pejima, and to be mamoted in near for sunny, now fame, me patron, the tennis, a timid kidney, a dear brono. Kanjan and magic water no ebo moten na pieni nyina so de free the pejemu me patcho enso we ye draw what I say na natural what I say enso we ye dia abẹ fun fidemu nya dia ba enti se wonya bi na wono mu a me ka trosam one kasa wutu say yes one time no dropi kanje na kasa enso na ye natural dia fan fidemu na ya so ne so na fe ye ya dia bia frum no obo se esa ya dia kama na wote adanse enso daba enti se wo penso no ma me patche kanje energetic drinking water no any so be comfort at the amount me patrol pedu to a ye chia kwan e wo Brema UGC and after Tafu New Road Abawa Road Jansi Hall and abehu Canton energetic drinking water na fe wonin perifast etiquette in come 0241 449191 0241 449191 Yahoma Ubeto Fre Canton energetic drinking water na for nim perform also etiquette in come Ubeyan Dudona na Yamasom etiquette so damon me patro Jokem Company Limited Jokem no Jokem Roofing Company Limited and Airfree Westwood Tanawie what to lentil what you say na o perchance a quality pa am patro for the enso brobo ehun betu enfama jampan trudu babo anya de so dano so bepa dia anya wo dem enso ani Jokem Roofing Company Limited be patro dorma kona kojo mo chance ni bi na fa kri wo dano so your IBR your staff lock your MSL your standard sheet Euro tiles and accessories I would do you I don't think I would do you now you the paper until no pay so what to make and it Jokem Roofing Company Limited any come no more wow if it's a bond of quality roofing sheets that's also best stand what there and you don't stand the good teeth for say and over continue no pay so what you can and it Jokem from any come Udra car Kaswa afe Kumase Techiman Sunyane Tamale Boga wa what I say now me patutu Kumase dia ye was Sokoban and Pabame ye police station no and a din shedimu eno e Jokem Roofing Company Limited a bond quality roofing sheet there men say omo na betimi ama obi ama bi piasom etobako etama 0540 125 816 05 40 125 816 Yahoma Ubetuma Fred Jokem Roofing Company Limited Nafe one impede for Esu Etimetin Como me patch bonnet bundle what as a banner a year broadband quality one power I'm a patch Ubetuma Uswache I'm a Biasum Etuma Queso Damawa me patch new customers are Mopasa Mugram our telecell face broadband muno ye mamu 50% bonus what as here into the Ubeto piano 50% bonus abacom that's what the amount and from one me patrol moya existing customers no muni did matano munya 300% bonus and no a telecell what as here it is a open broadband me patrol the bit to I'm going to move fast I was system I'm a business as way to my question we are non-expiry bundle and a telecell at the bar into a dorma promoting number 2 there what as into oko online also no boss star 900 hash na me patuwe miasu options no ha no one kasa what to select come on afei what to broadband no na be piaso na to bakwe dama enti wadoroma eye teleson ko a na ma osa opportunity we no we feel special ama be piaso na to bakwe enso edama what ase na me patu ba me fanto de bo say uram e wo kunlu Ghana limited wo mo na de enupa enso tabaja so kunlu wo mo ye heavy wo mo bu adwuma pa enya sabkutokra me patu wo ya branche ana babawa una mobo se unka bi shemu na Joshua kan what I say be obetru piano every woman in piano ubunso every woman in piano ubunso da bi me patro basa ya dia bani pedwemo promoter so sebetubaka hunchu capsules na fei when you biabo bo no nom na nyama bekoye enso edama hunchu se maba wane mrante no obi ebo hunchu capsules abaso what I say ana obo so a odonso no oteya obo so watie na ni bako kasa ohia de me patrol hwehwe babia na wakika no masa anya se gutwa prince pa wote no anu otente no pesa wote nka promoter say won sabe tumaka hunchu capsules no bobi no wanu numbi afei me patrol wo ya papa wa na sabosume so no bitumi hwe so ekogida katua ebasa enkoye ababa wa bosumi aso watare down what the so what I said no body ma meeting obi create me body boy din bosumi aso na yasi dwano me patrol na fiti kodo so no enya de say consistent ebubu what I said promoter say araba pase no anu na won set me ka na fe wo no ma enya ma betuma koye aso tamo enti araba pase obebo so onte de what I said wa dress kama brebi frano no din koma obo so den sam eyi ne wano promoter sam no sabe tobaka araba base no mpi na bobo bi emema no so yenya mumu be ma de otrum paso a e wo so wotimi si peg na fei bi patron oba no so wotimi bua paso kama what ase e wo so wotimi popam palupa na bi biasom de tobako so de mante no pai sa woto yenka no wa promoter sam Mr. Kill no wo ye be ma na so otrum paso na koda ne ntokwa na oba no ene okun toko wo mpaso yetimi hwe obi kura so ma promoter sam onsa ebetumaka Mr. Kill na wetuma no no boboda me ka to say enyema bekoye na so edama me patron kunlu Ghana limited wo mo na de say no way so temperature so na uromo Kolinak Danny Herbal Misty Herbal Blessed require a very panacea pharmacy A&A pharmacy for the men's and for the be a tone no piano de okwa also pe kunlu for gomo epo das nibi onsa ebetuma kabi patron no more any command 0244 27 5429 0244 2754 29 Yahoma ubetuma fe kunlu Ghana limited na for them per 4 also etimetin koma ama bibiasom etuma koye dama me pato cloud internet omo ana simi infanto ni mo say wo office wo wa yimfi ho o barber shop ho o salon o hotel ho no wa so dem wo no me pato say wo pe internet e fast say aso for no wo mu use internet e very fast if so be a ko Facebook obi a ko YouTube what you say enti say wo pe internet e betuma bo ama wetuma stay alive on the social media na wo niam so wetuma kan gatabawa what there any cloud internet cloud internet for so any dynamic to say wo more quality service power and you be koye na so edama e ban internet connectivity of a Wi-Fi and hotspot deployment and of a ban CCTV cameras say you install it here wo more quality service power na fe what there dance here extra for digital security loss ni nyina ye and of web hosting with cloud internet service me patroni dina no ye be ne kama so dama ye tia kwan e wo top high love fm post no ye ne omo ne tin hwede mu na ye wo the same building na kumawu man rural bank no ewo mu no eti bra ne ni tada fa atanse so ebra me patron wo ne tin komo 0202 699 110 0202 699 110 aya homa betuma for cloud internet na fe wonen perform aso etbet komo na betwe de masa sense de betwe my boys ni fasika what I say betwe my boys no afesika and no I say the boys no let's do fasika no enya sem ketokwa na de bako a eje sonko o betwe ho ami patron afefo so entimi no and say betwe ma o bet ne sai betway Emma bet and say anunti anampato Sompa 93.1 full-time sports my better to have boys ni etie what I say now betway so ya brantia me patani omo and to kasa na femunita na omo ne betuma boma sika bebre enso etuma ba obotom sika fia bi sika ketua bi na wo sika bebre what I say enti eno an sam o call o play store na fe me pacho wo bo eye betway.com.gh bo say app ni be yaba app ni ba pa na me patron what me I register so na when ya bonus awodo na fe wo sika ketua bi Jessica na Manchester wodo a ekoso wiase na fe wo twa bet no na wo dikeke na bibia ko etaba wonya 18 years a men ko betway home there is a betway there ya demra eye adwuma me patro what I say eye regulated by Gaming Commission of Ghana entene betway ento kase na de biane ba otim se e wo se wotimi twa bet na ne wawura mo betway ne wakoko twa bet ne wadi wotwa wo bedi wodi so onsam e beka ententem so obosa hetu o account ni mu na nyema so e ko etaba ntomodoroma ana mo taye tia me patro ye kona fe ya tem abonane sta no so pa ama bibia so na tuba koye na me patro ye mfa nsaba odu a eta kote nanom emfam na no pay ama bibia so entime konka life on your go-to super megatal 93.1 Sompa no wasugu so wutie no UEFA Champions League no eno Manchester woto be play so to be toja ya baba ye want to no pay etem ama mo yetu betere so ama bibia so etuma koye life on Sompa 93.1 me patro ba me fan to de say eno Real Madrid game ni to be toja women breast and the Kobani, but one to Bobo could tafie, Basuna Bobo could tafie, Intabalan Bobo Kono, as to be tafie, Intabalan Bobo Kono, Abrante fellow Lautaro, Martinez, Toro, Toro fellow Toro Martinez, ye player, was a Kadaba Intabalan Bobo Kono, where Argentine International, also Abrante way, or Bertuma Pa, and yes, some Katokana, and then one tap, Balontoni Toja, me part of the final 3 no one count, among 4 statistics, questions I would to say. Wamoshe modipa brante weapo enso tama intabala bobo kono ana for the Argentine national team no na say you cut the best players was so the final 3 na abrante the thing and Lautaro Martinez nkanwa me patron shada yantiasia na no ana patron me fanto de no pesa already did the criminality gossip PPP Barota a general manager enso tama intabala bobo kono onsan na me patron intabala wamoche bona ko bobo kono abrante the thing Mohamed Salisus intabala etwamon ekabiasa ama mpato intabala boboko no bibia tumi koye enso temamo na monako boboko de prayer enema ntuma koye na mfaba monako boboko na player wotimi jar naswa obo hat-trick ni dima intabala boboko no aya brante fe Lautaro Martinez Toro the Argentine International osia kadaba intabala boboko no already did the criminality gossip PPP Barota say or Bompire sa brante the thing and Lautaro Martinez ebetuma trust na for consistency na wetuma botuma na wetaba intabala boboko no this season enema sedan koye enfama brante the form ni sedan naso wo bibi wa brante no a brante no na start here or picking up the pieces no Bompire sa krano eye consistency na se kobana step Ballon d'Or ni yi na your side him a brante ni ti kwose be bia no Sompa Italy for the say anya dey say wiase follow wo mo no what as was a brand way one of the best players was so or Bob Brent the Basu and a Juma Boya Nasudama Inter Milan Bobo Kurania Sama already did a criminality gossip Marota general manager Adama Inter Bobo Kono Wababontain and pay and so Tabatuja young one to Masu Tababu to better so and on Patrobam front to the Musa Oko Esibla Bobo Konasoya already did a schedule Consicao the Patropa Bofu and Wamokoi woman Dynamo Zaki Bobo Kuda Diponi Gamine Koda not Dynamo Zaki Bobo Kono Wamati Esibla Bobo Kuda Chobo Cabiano Wamatobo Paco already did a schedule Consicao on some patro within the week on in the captain Abrante Ferry David Calabria so the company will pay to the SWA Sir Perifon so already did a schedule Consicao Moa and Quattro Chadia. Orano according to report another pay Menseka Pacha say after say game ni kwa we one kasa play bian wo dress room ho Orano say okay obian pack ni nyama the ansan kwa Milan na sisi ya na mo babe dia masa me no me pass me babe business into your player na some me patro me more selection no me more opportunity no one justify the reason dia we see account ma esimla bobo kuri dia and patro so be say wa maso babe dia gro wa masam wa babe che Italy krono o baso babe ye bi edema esibla bobo kono enti ruwa nkaso bia ho ana mpatobo fa wo mo pass ana mo mbepie mo Italy ene ye kakra mi patodo no pay efi esibla bobo kono efi maso ya naso de ba ye wantuma so tababu safo na no ana mpato rum ewo esibla bobo kono so ya already to the stage jo konsika wo dia to esibla mpere for them say abrante efere somewhat to quest the America the Nigerian international o se kan edema esibla bobo kono o se abrante won filino enti ebeya company for ento abrante for the somewhat to quest ma abrante ko na so mi pato somewhat to quest adia to esibla mpere for them say me nko be bia gbede anya dia se me kom question kan edema club bia meste ewo esibla bobo kono fe metuma fighting for me position na bi bia som etuma kweso deba me enta abrante for the somewhat to quest the America say he has nowhere to go and on kakra mi pato no pay every esibla bobo kono fro baso ya aso de ba ye wantuma so tababu we to better so na no pato according to report no pay me seka pato some na me pato already did Diego Mota manager edema tu fe bobo kono on the ju fe team no obo trafie ama Benfica bobo kono be yama omo etobo kabie no ju fe bobo kono nyime ntoma fa ba ju fe also be catcho no say woko ju fe bobo kono mu a ju fe mpe the phone say already did Diego Mota no enyema wo ye edema Bologna bobo kono a omo kofa no eba sen kroma mo me yedwuma emfa ba ju fe bobo kono ba no ababeta ne panche orani ntimi nyedwuma no emfa ma ju fe bobo kono entobo consider some already did Diego Mota won betima to the kwan na for betima another manager to come on board na another manager to come on board no enso you already doing and Xavi Hernandez Cruz no a former manager edema Barca bobo kono me patro ju fe mpe for consider say e be already did Diego Mota wo mo assess na dwuma no na me patro ni mo expecting that if already did Diego Mota no on to be from ju fe bobo kono empe for to be already did Diego Mota kwan na for ni ma so to ba kwe adama tu fe bobo kono enti na me atuma na me patro me te bekoso already to the criminality Cristiano Quintoli on your sporting director adama tu fe bobo kono ne mpere for better so betin koba na for mo tuma chu fe situation so mo kasa to fi ma Benfica be chobo kabenu die o mo tire pass and toss mo anon kakra e fi tu fe bobo kono fo ma so ya aso de ba no pay ye nwetuma so tababu ye to better so ye da so tin kuda so the latest non aso de problem no pay kama ama bi piasom etba kwe mi pato yen kona fe yen no mo Barca bobo kodimo na mi pato ready to the house data flick on your manager edba Barca bobo kono orona kan sembe brain edia toja na papa ne sien fanto pirebo sa o kabo piate sa so papa sa bobo kodimo eno akenso busi ye wo mo na Atlanta BC bobo kono ohuna debi diade ana orona hu ye o se koyam Atlanta BC bobo kono faso defend no eno Australia nyema bebre adi Atlanta BC si bobo kono to so na pass bobo kono ma qualify wie na match no ensheda nya serious and from a pass bobo kono no so to be use the opportunity to learn something from an experienced coach already done Jean Piero Gasparini na osha alanta piece bobo kono ko mo faso defend man to man defend no mutumi ye e wo pitch so no ama wotumenya so hu bebre anya me atuma ode che pass bobo kono se de bia me patron UEFA Champions League no wo metuma bona from metuma bona ye ama bi pia so tuma ko ye atem ama pass bobo kono anu na patron kubo so already thing ane Hans Flick say pass bobo kono modi bo mo bono mo ba be favorite say pass bobo kono wo mo betuma te UEFA Champions League no Barcelona bobo kono kanwa mo betuma te UEFA Champions League no anu na patron already thing ane Hans Flick say yam fanto pia so ka bo pia te say no masa na da say woman attention no aso tuma ko sa de man so omo take game after game no mom o so omo no cap bi so bono so pia no aya pass bobo kono money study hunu say cap no on beje into the fight for every trophy. I mean, sama already thing and Hans Data Flick manager at the pass bobo kono me patron odi tuja ye want to maso taba monana pay ama bi piasom betuma kwena me patron ma me abrantia ye fe Rafael Diaz Bayoli to do not for Rafinha this season o chana Sompa ama for kasa Rafinha beti Ballon d'Or no what is here say na brante de babe dia already to Rafinha ebeti Ballon d'Or no nyama be koye and so taba brante for Rafinha na Rafinha me patron this season open the best performing player our UEFA Champions League game aya brante for Rafinha the Brazilian international in terms of field goals and assists me patron elidie me patron involved in 12 goals and assists combined for Barcelona bobo kodi this season were involved in 12 goals what is here and you make and so taba brantia your friend Rafael Diaz Bayoli na me bossa said this season yeah baby interest say me catch us you Ballon d'Or the best player I was successful for now obe ya brantia for Rafinha and asem me patro player the thing and Mohamed Mahmoud Maghreb Salagali to do not for the more Salah was say kind that bali fa bobo kono enti ko Facebook ko so ko Facebook ko so Sompa 93.1 FM our Facebook so now we follow now we share now to message today pa now we like video no and of Sompa TV our YouTube no so now we subscribe so taba me kaba pa bi to the brantia ni deni and Mohamed Salah and of brantia for Rafinha who is the best player at him so far this season now me patoko pass bobo kudima what must pass bobo kuna according to intelligence none pay make that pass and brantia for Rafinha mom and a pass bobo kono omo project for Ballon d'Or aya brante the thing ane Lamine Yamal e bana Masloy ono any player pass and pay for episode project for Ballon d'Or na me busa say pass bobo kodimu one pound when see kan affected pass bobo kono na say this season what should pass bobo kodima between a brante for Lamine Yamal and of Rafinha when the team no ejane so was the pass from a project for Ballon d'Or the patrol ko Facebook so na for drink plan na fe yankin kan na for no pay e ma be piason ntumi koye etika ka no pay e fi pass bobo ko de for baso so de ba na brante for ansumani bori 40 anso to do not for anso 40 player o se kan da ba pass bobo ko no also ba ka to se pass and pay for obo pese ka brante for anso 40 every pass bobo ko na kokko se kan to ba kla ho fro so da ba ko mo betimi at the brante for the Marcus Rashford up no matter my creative space and the brante for the Marcus Rashford from Manchester United now so ba brante feno anso Fati bede and then so ba kubebia na man patch according to report make that no pay from the corridors of Ajax Amsterdam patches one of the four wingers Ajax Amsterdam bobo ko me patch bo consider say woman didn't be board and summer and as transfer window no abada we ye eya brante the thing and Ansu Fati omo person de Ansu Fati and so to the party there may be a contact between Ajax Amsterdam bobo kono and of Barcelona bobo kono if you na ko na from wetuma here so we to the brante no let's wait to Holland now ababa sia kan and so taba Ajax Amsterdam bobo kono enti any report no pay me say kan ye wetuma na so taba bo ye tuma te so mo mama Barcelona bobo kono wo pictures ni enso me patron this season our UEFA Champions League game me patron ye true group stage wo pe aye club wetuma a lot of goals to power when UEFA Champions League grima aya Barcelona bobo kono when Mr. Barca bobo kono mpacho 8 matches bobo boy almost 28 goals. Barca has 28 goals in the UEFA Champions League this season group stage. What I say, the next of the talk na me pacho 8 matches bobo boy womo every need 6 omo draw 1 and omo lose bako na enom edam pachobona ko bobo kono aso be so omo nyima ntuma koe amfa ba sa bobo kono ntade kakra me pacho daruma e fi ba sa bobo kono e fu ba so ye na so de ba ye wantuma so taba we tuma tede so ba sa bobo kono the highest scoring team na me pacho Barca na me antum na say run into the run of 16 me pacho draw na team better where purchase Barca bobo kono ebetima show mo na no mpacho de tede say possibility say Barca bobo kono betima shia PSG bobo kono Paris Saint-Germain bobo kono wo high after Senyasem to talk on opono me de to dem already doing ano Luis Enrique Martinez Garcia Lucho Jordan Alfredo Luis Enrique onon eye manager dem PSG bobo kono o se team ba kono 1% obesio mo mo kromo ye mienu eye Liverpool bobo kono ano fe Barca bobo kono o se start two teams we 1% obesio mu bia ano eye me part already doing ano Luis Enrique Martinez Garcia Lucho manager Adama PSG bobo kono and some of them on pay and so double to ja young went to my so double on pay some 93.1 and our so go so with you know yada so tin koda so den 70 pa ama be pia so to be pay me call real man to bobo kono na stand me to real man to bobo koda so ya yakokubu so already thing and a Vicente Gen company employ to run for the Vicente company manager Adama Bayern bobo koda say hey already to the Vicente company ya catch wo obetimia Real man to bobo kono ubetuma Manchester City bobo kono and already to the Vicente company say hey massa baby true there untimi nkasa wunhia team bia baby true the stage aye true UEFA Champions League no ubetuma sia big club bia fe na big games no be start and to start Bayern to bobo kono ready semi patro team bia be sia de bia no omo betumi ewi no mo game na for metuma kwa komanim and we be really out Bayern to bobo kono start this season and even koye na for Bayern to bobo kono nteno e bia UEFA Champions League no omo entimente wase Bayer a big team na Bayer so ekra spirita won betum dia UEFA Champions League no na me busa say UEFA Champions League no ya the spirit and na Bishop Atapoku ha mitu de so a baba me hu say UEFA Champions League no ya the spirit and edge and I say the quality team and edge and no I am part already thing and Vicente Gen company employ to the for the Vicente company manager that the Emma Bayern to bobo kono and some no so dia to ja ye want to man that dia bam we to better so live for the golden super becatal 93.1 Sompa and wasugo so with you now na no man patro ba me fan to the say Abrante for the Jamal Bostela Bambe say and mo bia luso faith I will ready to the Vicente company mo say team no ebe yo enye yo it's at the commitment of the players now UEFA Champions League no this is the time I want the Bayern to bobo kono players now it means to be on the pitch or not justify the reason they are competing for Bayern Munich and on the summer already to the Jamal Bostela Bambi or say Akadema Bayern to bobo kono waba bontain and on a pay and so tabatuja now as some yaba Bayern Munich board no omo question already to the Mas Ebel so Mas Ebel ejuma ye de bon say brother no master focus amania Bayern Munich board of directors say we must the wages of the players now I was sure do which are branching for the case a branching for the set Gnabry David already to Leroy Aziz Sanimo or market trouble to the north already to the Joshua Watakimikamo and already to the Mas Ebel only who co-sporting director no players are let me patrol one wait be no was no so would ya tontomo momonko niempe quality players on betuma replace our players way na fe omo ba omo wait be no fam na so mo quality na won betuma puatuma enso tama Bayern to bobo couldn't Bayern board of directors no almost started question already thing any Mas Ebel say juma no as a would jama players be as wait must especially Abrante the thing and Leroy Aziz San in for the parties abaya and come Bayern to bobo couldn't no kwan na so mo Abrante the kasa na catch Abrante for Leroy San say or the pen basic character so be study the contract at the Bayern to bobo kuna this is the sika what no or test for brand this way ready sir we better that catch us na for tomato so etbesia kan etim ama baamun chirbobo koda no aya brand fele roy aziz sani the feeder so ye na so de bano no pay ye nwatuma so tobo ye tubete so me ko as na bobo kodimo me ko ku ye tuma kakra ewo as na bobo kodimo already did Owen Hargreaves as hey afedi wo Sompa as na bobo kono omo ye prepared for the UEFA Champions League amania was say hey as na bobo kono say oka one of the teams obo crown numbers ewo UEFA Champions League this season na as na bobo kono omo kan was last season there as na bobo could be there but this season yen take as na bobo kono serious when him say as na bobo kono in the group stage you know omo tuma 16 goals across the only 3 goals in the UEFA Champions League this season a group stage anymore and already today Owen Hargreaves or already today Mikel Arteta Mantran manager Adama asked the Bobo Kono or Bonapason they were Juba Sonkwa when also Etmaye to qualify to the next stage of the competition and now sir asked the Bobo Kono or Mokobo playoff and on I Sama me part already day and so Owen Hargreaves as so Diabatuja more money already today Mikel Arteta and in future no more fun to TV the song Namabusa first win to enjoy after the game I brought the thing and Ethan Nwaneri to be put the winning corner Adama asked the Bobo Kono against Girona Bobo Kono when Suma already to the Mikel Arteta Mantran manager Adama asked the Bobo Kono as well Diatuja.
Is that at that age for?
That's what we love about him. You know that he's willing to take the initiative to make things happen. He's very aggressive when he's got the ball and so confident because you don't do that because before that he had another action very similar one. He made the right choice. He went for it. He's a player that has the capacity to finish from every angle basically, and it was a very important goal.
I know a few weeks ago you spoke about him potentially in a few years developing into a centre forward because of his finishing ability. But that goal, I think we've probably seen it a few times this season, not just for Arsenal, but for England as well. Is that something, I guess, becoming normal for you guys to see now?
Yes, it's very natural for him. You can see the way he takes the touches, how he flows, how he fixes people, and then the technique is good when he's in motion, which is very rare because he's so precise in his finishing. So, yeah, put in a lot of times in that situation, and I think the outcome will be good.
So I understand.
Yes, and to way I am someone already did Mikel Arteta Mantran manager and so the Arsenal Bobo Kono on us what you have to do and what you at Taba Mono pay. I may be Piason at Tobacco. Mamen Cordial Bant to Bobo Kodimo, Mamen Quay Tobacca, our real Bant to Bobo Kodasway, Momami Abrante Rodrigo de Gota Silva, Mon for the picture and talk TV so now for Busafon to be enjoyed. The Patocom Facebook Kodaswa, Sompa 93.1. Now follow now share now to message the Pania can catch about Sompa TV and so YouTube and so now the Pato. O subscribe tamana woto message aba ne akenkan enso tama kabapa na Brante Rodrigo de goals Real Madrid former crown our free Brazil no me pacho since a year December 10th Abrante no return here our status was botuma at the Real Madrid Bobo ko the reason tia make the sam and start Brante de copry what is and recover why fit me pacho December mo on the 10th of year December and Abrante Rodrigo status was botuma password tabar Real Madrid Bobo Kono Nami Pacho returning Abrante team incredible numbers and a team Real Madrid Bobo Kono na Abrante Rodrigo me Pacho this is na Abrante yet to pa and to be the start on that's what the Bobo Kabapa Real Madrid and Perifonia John already to the color as lot to the passer the return of Abrante Rodrigo no Ebama Real Madrid Bobo Kono a very fantastic dynamic and some they were paid to this one and you may be to and so Real Madrid Bobo Kono no me Pacho Brantie I feel Rodrigo free Brazil no me Pacho the Tedesa were involved in 13 goals plus 7 assists that's why involved in 20 goals this season and the German Real Madrid Bobo Kono when we start Brantie started as a striker this season all the matches are Brantie started as a striker German Real Madrid Bobo Kono on to me go the bomb what did to Ponkuma Faso and need to the Fafaswa a Brantie that's what go at the Real Real Madrid bobo kuna mpacho de tenye obo as left winger no was 6 goals. I'm making 5 assists. Me pacho right winger wabo 14 matches. Also 8 matches 6 goals. Also at me I'm making 2 assists. I know your brand here. Your friend Rodrigo them all started as a striker. All the matches I was starting as a striker. I'm a patron but me ebo juma to Real Madrid bobo kono in 5 matches. When to man say go bia, when to man make assist bia. I know your brand for Rodrigo. The finish ya. That's what they pardon no. Ni busta brand for Rodrigo say unya already to the USA Pasayo, Oliveira Vinicius Jr., to don't offer Vinicius Jr. You say Saudi Arabia offer big bone, Cassia Paba Toho. Now, who to a branch of a year Vinicius Jr. Dia Stan Abeka, a branch of Rodrigo say, one of the Nadia Sobeka Simbia, and Yata branch of Vinicius Jr. Adia Obetuma Catching say, on question 1 goals. What I said, not on board Real Madrid Bobo Kono, and Sabrantanum, a Real Madrid Chesno, what the Yanama Bre, oh, Gusoye, into on to us for on your consistent, and from Real Madrid Bobo Kono, and then some branch of Rodrigo. Odia tuja ya watu maso tibabu safo mama me already tene Carlo Michel Angelo Ancelotti Caleto todo na fere Carlo Ancelotti manager Edbar Real Madrid bobo kono papa ye busa se Real Madrid bobo kono bebia modri nanka money naso se Real Madrid kra no ye ka teamsa me patron o se kabo kobo knockout na san kabo kanwo mo de ka first 8 ne ko so mo ye part of the first 8 was ampa at time UEFA Champions League ne start na Real Madrid bobo kono da and then some already to the Carlos Lotti on some Montero or Pedro Tuja was a Real Madrid Bobo Kono. You started group stage no, now Real Madrid Bobo Kono Ada, a friend of Munyane, no Munyani, no, your Bomat is now you just over Kobo playoff. And then some Pato already to the Carlos Ancelotti, Waba Montero or Pay, and so Tabatuja. Now, no, Pato already to yourself Pep Guardiola Ice Seller, to do not for the Pep Guardiola, your manager, at him, Manchester City Bobo Kono, and your Kubus already to the Pep Guardiola. Say already to the Pep Guardiola na South Joya e pasu nyame adumo tene Real Madrid bobo kono mubetime siomo mubetime sia bobo kono na so 2 teams no baako ye the king of the competition baako so ye 3rd or 4th king of the competition eno ye Bayern bobo kono na so bu mienu nyina buso mu a obie no obe person obe sia Manchester City bobo kono eno na so already to the Pep Guardiola jatuja eno ye buso already to the Pep Guardiola say wo team no say wuti the pass be wotro no wobetuma compete wobetumi a compete ye ama bibia so etuma ko etaba wana and already thing any Pep Guardiola say the next year 2 weeks emu no na Man City bobo kono ba bia omu just say no mutumi aye nyema better ama team na tuma reignite the form no much better position to compete and then estaba me patch already tell you stay Pep Guardiola Ice Seller to do not for the Pep Guardiola manager at him Manchester City bobo kono waba Montero no person tabatuja na Edna Bishop Atapoku ana fed Messiah ni edin kobo bi wa ha Michael Buatu no ha ni edin kobo concern Aprantia the for the Vinicius Jr. also me catch us Saudi Arabia for no o ready to pay 300 million euros for the signature of the Brazilian international already doing an Vinicius Jr. Emma Abedafo Casabeya Real Madrid bobo Koromonto and Brante for the Vinicius Jr. Manenko me patch according to intelligence make that no pay a patch so Real Madrid bobo Kodima and Penifore Nyami atumne says we so na Saudi Arabia for no womo da so chebe bi mujira womo de 300 million euros ba Real Madrid for be that reject no master to buonimu na ko be the 350 na say 400 million euros Real Madrid pay for 10 times so one by accepted bid no among kasa ni Abrante for the Vinicius Junior better say tin come say Vinicius be atu no kone kwaji sika no na say sika we so be Real Madrid bobo koni pa until reporter no pay men say ka part say Real Madrid pay for they be consider to sell Abrante for the Vinicius Junior between 300 million euros and 400 million euros no matter what Abrante maneko na maka to some Abrante for the Vinicius Junior Saudi Arabia for just money 200 million euros a season or the tum na so be say was Saudi Arabia Pro League grima me patrol for 5 years no money 1 billion euros according to report I don't know payment say ka part say Vinicius Junior booster first starting money pressure Vinicius Junior booster for no almost starting money pressure no mom sa Abrante no e catch Saudi Arabia for say woman santuma Saudi Arabia for the batum almost 7 man enticement fee na be bia straight back with about Brantia your friend Vinicius Junior me pato umianko na yankwati already to Carlo Michel Angelo Ancelotti Caleto to do not friend Carlo Ancelotti manager that the Mario to Bobo Kono and game no ekwana wiye.
Ocho primeros.
Bueno, tenemos que respetar lo que ha pasado, lo que es la tabla, la clasificación. Me gusta este formato o no, porque hay demasiados partidos. La idea que tengo del fútbol es quitar los partidos para dar menos desgaste a los futbolistas.
Okay, wait, and then some already did the color slotty as some edit to jar concerning and some Namika Sena, Gilbert to Bobo Kono, or Matan, into the Yemen to Banque, and Faber Gilbert to Bobo Kono, Momami, Abrantia Fen Alejandro Ganacho Ferreira, Mon for the picture in front of Facebook, Resumame, and of a TV, so now already did the criminality Giovanni Mana. I am sporting director the Monopoly Bobo Kono, according to report, I don't know, Pebeseka Pata said, Obesia Manchester United Bobo Kuna, and no more settlement in Kobo, Napoli Bobo Kono, Monteroma, almost had another offer at the Manchester United Bobo Kono for the signature of a branch of Alejandro Ganacho Ferreira. Something I report, I don't know, pay, and also Eba, young one to my soul, to to this one, and now some Peter Album, the Patrol Bishop, where they pass with them, say, already dinner, a year, John Duran, Jetta Palacio, to the Rafa John Duran, or not, see, Tanakunuko, see this one, a branch Jessica. No kosia kain ate ama anasal Bobo Kono 20 million euros and in Sika wamotema branta retain and John Duran Jetta Palacio osia karma Aston Villa Bobo Kono or kosia kain Aston Atama Aston Villa Bobo Kono anaso kosia kain adama anasal Bobo Kono Leipzig Bobo Kono kocha 50 million euros ate ama PH Bobo Kono for the permanent deal of a branch of Xavi Simons Quintin say to the Xavi Simons 50 million euros and send a bonuses about the peso no to me 80 million euros and now ASK PH Bobo Kono now for Dino and straight to my permanent come on a branch of Xavi Simons Quintin say as some transfer Portugal at the Ama Lives Bobo Kono 20 Kakra and on a paying and also Bama Renfi sir and now me patron Manchester would to be pro Aston Villa Bobo Kono and a Bermont Bobo Kono would think come up and so Thomas Perfor as almost sporting director what could do Germany and a Bermont and put the 14 come off for Brante for the Matthias Style some Matthias Style Mr. Kain and from a Thomas Bobo Kono 20 Kakra and on a paying and also Eba young one to my soul to my to so life in the Cote Super Mercato 93.1 Sompa and I was so good so with Facebook that was now follow never be a quay and so at the Amana Fay with YouTube that's why I know your Sompa TV now promoting and sweat to subscribe kama near queer name never be a sweat to conkai and now Europa League Manchester would throw the play now international fair the one time swapper Abuja Fortress and some of the doors your castle one young corner so I was here to me and a cracker at the Mount Nafe was with me with your not be piasum better continue no pay make a choice when your time help Mr. Pino Numa and Yamabakoye also Tama malaria and not just a Tokrowa what that's the time help Mr. Nebidonum Nebibu Bonafa dance and Supra malaria beer at what to say when the Pajano piano ever turning Nama be Piaswet Conkai what possible yaw our one and more no probably so submit to a time help Mr. on of a time HH help Mr. No some they would just so wouldn't be any more make a choice ebe boost immune system no ya de bia e se di pagirima what I am no fin and you man koyin fama no what there so time HH heba Mr. Nyabidonom na bo na what dance so de baba kama ama bi piasom that ba konkai ta ba wo penwe ne dudu atu a wo be fa wo man 0244 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 ya homa wo be to my friend time heba Mr. na for time HH heba Mr. and put it for nothing one also at me come me patron ya to say Genti College and the air for no Genti Genti what you say me patron school way baby a shadow a crab bia be go bia na went man say na went man share the nurse akran onye na de say or pabrabo bia board Genti College ebe more quality facilities just ukona ukotana usua de to say yes when the baby pa what turn for what man share de kama ama bibia som etuma ko edama na na me pacho wo papa no wo papa ma no wo peso okosua de e SHS etwa ewura suapo mu na okogira botin de a wo de ne 20 college enti ma wo papa ne nko ma wo baba ma ne nko ma wo nana ne nko no nkosua de no mfa dance so emra free SHS 1 to 3 omo ejin kura omo start ya admission enya from Tokra na me pacho de to the same about science business visual arts and of agric science home economics omo ye powerful nya from Tokra wo de akwadi wie school na the final results e de be chawo bun sampa me chawo be pa wo bi o ko 20 college bi de dance na so e ba a test enya from Tokra na school we na cha kwan e wo kumawu kwanta Ashanti region ya ana school no ewo ene 20 college chairman Ochekrapa eni nkomo 0243 721 659 0243 721 659 ya homa wo betro fe 20 college impere for na fe wonen impere form eso etbet nkomo o madaruma ye kwamno ne ekofa mo na nsam e ba be twa fortress akomia de misaya no enya sem ketokra akomia se bibia bokode ana wo fa di kaja oh wo hwe ni wo fa ja pade wo nsan ka ba kokura
good morning good morning
o kwa no kakra me kobu ye ne good morning ya na that is only odwane no kobu bia
wa hwe ni wo fa ja pade no mfa ma
because me hu kwa fa so be wura so ko mu bia pano ne she ko mu pano
ase me hu say o dia so nka go didi eja anya ko pon wada on ton ko na wada o mami bibi ndi so ma de enche me didi
hey emra breast game no ko so enu for na
yes
enu for na ye
breast qualify na so man qualify
breast qualify still standing
no no say amount for co breast chisa edin yo mo de edin no so nya sana se kire
let me say
boys
start breast try breast of course and yesterday Real Madrid making sure so be my breast
Sompa FM
they really massage the breast of course and they now let me say Jambo is rather
last night was everyone Madrid here. Look, you guys have no idea what you do. Maybe I come down here all day. Maybe do fear. You could cry gawa dachi they don't see. Can I go out of home? I think it was my pick up the bunch.
See? Bet way for on the and run 18 games.
Yes.
For the UEFA Champions League.
Yeah.
Now, what's your comment? Our boys we making about 18 games now. The whole night over today. Obisi munko busasa Ghana nyina ye kana ye de ne yesey. Na 18 games we the betwa Ghana kala sa to Ghana.
Hey.
Na by 10 p.m. no. As you say our boys na new name dia ma bet way for. Almost see a friend no. Time bound investment fund.
Okay.
That means emre day.
Down.
Promo no catch a girl.
Anna, what's the fastest way to make investment?
What's a time bound investment fund? That means between 2 hours, 3 hours.
And be piaceto. Say baby, I bet you a day at dinner kwakuduna no ye dio. Bet way. And yes, I'm going to be able to dinner kwakuduna no ye dio.
One of my picks from the night.
Now,
God is alive. We will be rich by 23. Today, we make Ghana debt.
We make Ghana canon.
Tonight, it is either Coconut Teaching Hospital or Mercedes Benz.
The more 10.
Yes, now my more 10. But bet you again, I'm all better than say. Bet you the best of
Obi on the bet you here, maybe I don't say no was kakra.
And I'm me chemu
was best saver.
I'm going to take when you did blog to the trim. Ice blog and did 2 to 3 now. You did towel 2 to the Kumaso.
But dear, someone
you grab the minister who try almost a better dinner.
Hey! Kabet was like a bet saver.
And run Nigeria, Ghana,
and South Africa.
Maybe I'll be
I come here any come.
Yes. I think it's interestingly, Champions League, you know, any home come this year, Lenya Babi do. But to mom about the playoffs, Liverpool, Biana, Mobiamu, Shebre. Said in your visit.
Okay.
Now, we a story about opponent don't have it to sure money mra on betting about these particular games. I think, sir, in a nutshell, there are some things we need to pick out of the new format of the Champions League.
Okay.
Then we discuss what the Champions League is having for us. On sir, and maybe a Chamuna care about first 6 games, we no more for what am I saying? The new format in Eban, we said a lot of things about it.
Yeah.
But within the new format, your team experience Inter City. Yasha Real Madrid maybe Bayern Munich be.
Yeah.
Yasha top games. So the first impact of this format of the Champions League is we've never lacked big games.
Yeah. Yeah. We've
never lacked big games. Every single week will give us a big game. And now you're here Atlanta and Barcelona.
Yeah.
Can you maybe a chema? Obenya sa games we are a round of 16. And you bring games we say so at the idea. So more games, quality opponents, quality football. Yeah, I enjoy. I think when it comes to the source of revenue and income for the smaller clubs, Sompa Brest and to Kwaya Santiago Bernabeu. Brest safe in a boy against Real Madrid. It's a massive game for them in their history. Because one man I know that.
So Madrid.
Madrid or Bon Madrid or France wouldn't feel. So be the Madrid Beba Cromon man Paris Saint-Germain. Obi the Barcelona Beba Cromon man Paris Saint-Germain. Even the likes of Olympic Marseille for Mumba because of Europa League. Leo Muso Babana Leo Mubel group stage. Little back of wine. But look at the city, baby at Brest finding itself a war. Never be a little war. Never be a Marseille war. Never be a PSG. Little any Marseille on the Brest, Money PSG, PSG Mukado team. But Brest no more kick to heavy. Kick to heavy. And no Madrid I about. So imagine the economic impact of the competition. Watching teams like that come to you. Me sure say Slovan Bratislava. Or tonight we are seeing no any players in the baby or bobo in the final. One and we that's some more Alliance Arena. Yes, their first club to qualify for the UEFA Champions League in so many years. And kaya sa 6 teams format na. Kebi and kaya mo be on copy because no baby or dana ebe group no. Because port 1, port 2, port 3, or port nature baby. It's a real port no. And Fanny Mran and Babisha young boys money, but our Alliance Arena competing against Bayern Munich. So the format of the new Champions League improving the economic factors for these smaller clubs in the global free bar. And I'm 2 years. I enjoy quality matches, quality. And I'm so happy. We are getting this particular kind of games at this stage. Okay. But at the back, now the pathway towards the knockout stage in the round of 16. We are also going to enjoy big games. So we are going to enjoy every single moment in the Champions League now. You enjoy a big game.
Yeah.
First, okay, be a round of 16 now, enjoy big games. But now every single stage of the Champions League, I think the Super League for Florentino Perez not national doing who actually people said baby at
this stage of the Champions League, Barca to me repay an amount of 88.75 billion euros.
What you say?
Group stage Liverpool some of the pounds.
Liverpool Kokra.
Yeah.
Now in the next knockout phase, neighbor, Ubetimasha Monaco, any PSG so Betimasia. There is Benfica. Maybe our best in the crowd to my surprise. Yes, either PSG or even Benfica. And my friend said Benfica. I could Juventus to fear Aquacosheno.
Knockout no possibility to say PSG Beshia Monaco and as a Preston.
But don't underestimate the quality of this Benfica team. Never back up. I'm not going to say I'm man for Florentino Luis Abaso. I'm telling you for a fact. On the catalyst for players or more Benfica or more performance in the picture in terms of midfielders or more partner. Okay. Only Enzo boy after Enzo left him. Enzo coach Chelsea and said that Enzo is the first league. Jana first league the only player who PSG who glimpses of what you want to do. Okay. But Florentino Luis now acquire a certain midfielder ɔno no ɔwo ne bɛbɔ biara no performance mu bɛpenya na ɛnra ɛwɔ the Juventus stadium hɔ Allianz stadium hɔ no ojamp be sure say Locatelli mu kɔ dɛm mu pie ba ɔne Kefran Tura mu pie ɛkɔ dɛm pie Sompa FM proper central campista bɔɔl no ni bɔ ankasa ɔnya midfielders na ɔmo tackle ɔmo ntimi bɔ bɔɔl ni bi line breaking how to control the game me no ɛnneɛma mmiɛnsa na me de rating midfielder so you good. One, your ability to control the tempo of the game and control the game. Number two, your ability to tackle and intercept. Number three, your ability to break lines. Because me we midfielder now jina na yen change mu passes a me mpɛ wasɛm saa. As all pass no jina open the safe nko me mpɛ ne saa. But midfielder time line breaking passes no on my attackers ne number 10s ne 8 for no ho tɔ. Because the first line of attack no need to be can breaking fast, quick. It's in Barcelona, Marc Casado me penasem pa. Because oh you good when it comes to that particular thing. Kwasha Real Madrid and Barcelona. I'm not talking about the Supercopa de España. Make us about the league game no more share Real Madrid. Onyabo bia on table no so line breaking part neko. Line breaking part neko. Na kodi yama ne pedrimo de omode be bia fan ho bia. It will Florentino Luis and Rana. Otakoje bona omo control game na line breaking neko pa ko. Na ko no agye mpa on table ball no so nya afi no better free ball ho. There be onim sa de no. So you look at the quality ni ade odema Benfica and the team na ekuto omo na enye kwase e fan ahogro so say Paris Saint-Germain be fan fo minim say Paris Saint-Germain no ma piki eno ahe game on botia Stuttgart na it was a top level performance. It was that good.
And yeah, Stuttgart
ni mo pa Stuttgart before this game no more form pa Stuttgart no omo yi bomb mo dem pa. But for the last two games now, Paris Saint-Germain are born. City in Stuttgart game. No. So we'll get to enjoy such a quality football at this rate. City for us to be China. I can't share Madrid and Bayern. At the early stages of the
Sompa FM.
I don't know. Oh, one top 8, you know. For one day, the real. Okay. Yes. And the Liverpool, what one man was listening. Barcelona to one was listening. But I'm so happy for Leo. 2 days ago, no Jamaica once and with their project and what they've been doing, the quality of players of what producing. And listen, not all look at pass or money bar or behind the umbit tonight. Leo let me qualify. As now, I think Mikel Arteta, on also let me push a video down. That is good. But the Aka and a doors. On what would the honey now boys in this will be our trophy. We had top 4 now Champions League. Will be our trophy time apart from back. There's only one bad night. But in Milan about the whole Champions League, we consider one goal.
Arsenal conceded 3 goals.
Yes,
3 goals. Arsenal.
Inter Milan so conceded and fan better because Obo City. One more Leverkusen. Top matches. Only Benfica.
And it's Michel.
And I do ball 2 Inter Milan.
Okay.
Asa. Mohe Simoni yepa.
On the assessor.
Me say match I made pen this year 2025 year. Me one match pen I made sure any move this year. Give me Inter Milan and Liverpool. Okay. I want to see.
But that's it. Bishop.
Friend Ralph. Okay. Boys, if you win, I'm not Ralph.
Hey. Ralph.
Money I come system.
Sompa FM.
Mano said the be omo down now for omo. Mama to any that baby. So why am I when you am from Nancy for me that? It's na be fundraising amount. Because the kidney are saying liver say. Yes, me I mean you are confirm for some of the videos like sharing that. Written there unless you are dizzy or tell her we're feeling this one is not up to.
And I feel a free Liberia about your friend coach. I know count no more pamo upon Riano. What me at times I would Jaffa go to me at times I said, oh, to have a friend coach. If in Liberia.
No, but okay, no, crying cases.
Oh, to me, time yes, you know, to me, and a kid to have been with your noisy.
Jenna, yes, Sompa.
What's it, Drew, or Master Sanity? A friend of Coach. Liberia.
Because Upper West, Upper East, Upper West, Upper East Boga, Savannah, Namongo, North East, Waliwali, North and Tamale, Buno, Sunyai, Buno East, Techima. I have forgotten. I'm going to referral center.
Yeah.
Central Nation. It's me the Western of Africa.
I'm no yare ni yamba. Now is walk of a coach. Or Oberkasa Mediama Stadium, no Musino. One of the workers, if we see the shift. Also want to be driving from Takwa to Confanoche. Or when Bruno
Sompa FM.
Yes, Raffle. Wow.
Coach.
Yes, one has one and but no money be a more yes, see, I don't know my
Sir, I wish a Bible so young. So let's you know, yes, so let's I remember one. Or be who say, was or Chia, no, I time. Are they on? Now, I didn't mean to be muscle. Baby, you know, moving on. That woman, I want about Kutiati. You my boys in here and I say, it's a bad one. That could be over fall up on my children.
Yes,
okay. I'll be Leipzig. Echo 5 JBC was eminent. 75 to 80 million. And your money, I'm off a scout for. And I said, Obi person top Jabi Simmons if you're and I did Panacosho.
Okay.
Someone will be an important when they come with you. If you look at their model, be an model that you will know in Amazon. And we know Thomas and I, Castello Luceba, Mukofan Leon, Mohamed Simakan, Mukofan Nebai. Do baby, yeah. The Omukofan says he can't wait. He said, Omukia, Leipzig. Please, Borussia Dortmund that pays that kind of sorry, Bayern Munich natures that kind of money. How are they raising 75 million for a player of this caliber?
Almost in the meantime, 50 million. No much here, not add-ons,
add-ons. That is not them. Just say, when you will be Omukubu. Oh, be shut down.
Be a city, be a na.
Be the PSG, be the.
And I buy and be
a proxy. Because we dear. And that's how football has got it. Number 2. Emra, Sikarane is the body face. And then the Colombia. Area city. It also means Watkins and Pass.
Your uncle.
One transfer. A do Watkins to Arsenal. A do Boniface to Al-Nassr. The brand is kind of cool. Or crack it to a pay no offer.
Or just £75,000 every Friday. She say you man of 20 million euros plus bonuses.
Yeah. John Duran with this 21. More than 3-4 years. 25. What's that about you?
Until 2030. I'll sign to 2030.
Europe easy. Of course, secure bag. Secure discount 3 years. Maybe I never see a 4 Colombia on the moon.
But that's still not minimum. At 21 years.
20 years.
Now Uncle Saudi Arabia.
Over to school fees. Never back hospital for one of the bank. Also, I'm going to say,
Colombia.
I'm going to say, yeah. we sika we na hwe abusua ene akura bi asefo nyina wo. So that's the first thing you must understand when you are dealing with these people.
Sompa FM.
They are breadwinners for their family and they are breadwinners for an entire community.
But me, I'm happy for Boniface.
So also about the children.
So I'm good.
10 or Mutiano or Germany.
38,000 euros.
Bosumi and Nana.
Now,
you went to the Takumana.
There 25,000.
So, Mom, we could discount. Rodrigo is special.
Rodrigo
Goes very special. The position of Mbappe ball, the position of Vini Junior ball, the position could be on the right as an ordinary winger. Look, but the require of us to draw defender need to make the third. Well, I genuinely feel that Real Madrid no one and him done. Sabri and Mbappe, Vinicius. Why be no most happen?
For now, no, the
Florian Wirtz. In the attackers go.
For now, assistance Rodrigo, Anana City, and Yambresa go beat my family.
Whoever gets Rodrigo.
But Rodrigo so Florentino Perez and Nicosia.
And on that ball is with him.
Unibopa.
Madrid will consider Vinicius.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Madrid will consider Tom Vinicius. Scammer. 3 to 400 million euros.
Number is easy. And you see, I'm running enough performer, I not take this. Vinicius has not been an exceptional performer.
You can't say Madrid for no one.
He's not an exceptional. Almost exceptional, almost standard. Around Ronaldo, Karim Benzema. Even those guys were not indispensable. Omokrani and Kase.
Sompa FM.
Vinicius was all pretty at that level. When you clutch moments, Champions League go against them, Champions League final go against them. But for the Hekari Mudian, the numbers they gave, and the come of us to come to the Swire over the period.
Okay.
Now Ronaldo. Oh. Look, I've not Modric consistency. Any ball and all ball on the cruise. Vinicius Mbobio. He's look. So I'm here. Mbappe better than Swankasa because he's better than him. I know Mutim Papa. Oh yeah. Mbappe need him bossy Vinicius Junior by a mile for me. Then Mutim na no ball. No nya high. So what the Vinicius name Mbappe in age na Real Madrid anymore. Mbappe will cloud. Both for PSG.
Okay.
You put that together. Real Madrid.
Sompa.
Vinicius.
Because, oh yeah, the other friend, the franchise player.
Okay.
And he was a fan, say that. I'm an enemy. In the amount for the Kai timer, Vinicius ever Real Madrid and now yes, or Butiao. But Mbappe wouldn't get that. But for Oba no shot said so kind of output or the M1.
Okay.
I agree. I think the Champions League is a spiritual competition. I don't think we are being medially. It's not something.
Tony company
oh yeah. Soon now for our year they will be
okay.
Until I'm on to us in the time of my panel. Manchester City na time no. More be no man. I want to be Bibles in the big too. That's how many Tottenham semi final.
There's a soon na nyadu.
I'm found.
Okay. With us. Apostle.
Sompa FM.
Or Lausanne, Olympic House.
Okay.
Na Neo Mr. Thomas Bach at Adamfo. The tenure as Olympic House president every year. So say you valve, you're making sure say bill, you're being young conform take over for you. Now, because of time to make you transfer. One procedure for basically then it is almost present almost manifesto any vision say yes my akwenya na back we to aba my nearby I will see now having said that and then we are 7 delegates we out of the 7 delegates one who phones your best is one of the secretive agencies, organizations in the world, IOC. Government can say be Vatican open. A very secretive institution, but IOC it has increased over the years. But almost share no until almost summer. And the best is who phones no. Phones no security will pick up your phones. And says who phones no we are. On 8, I do call a private room. You do call private room we are. I do swa. Now wabekasa over 15 minutes. 1 minute can be so. Untimi in Central be invited there. There will be no filming, no journalist. We all know man your master. We are not very beautiful also. Now candidates, interesting. Candidate number 1 is Sebastian Coe. I mean, Sir Sebastian Coe. Everybody knows Sebastian Coe. Yes, IAAF president, but as somebody who has been a great athlete, middle distance runner, winning gold 1,500 meters 1984 and won 800 meters silver 2. So
Sompa FM.
Olympian athlete, middle distance, a solid guy. And then secondly, also in terms of administration, he's been London Olympic Committee, like Ghana GOC, London version. He's been president before, and in fact 2012 Olympic Games any Paralympic Games in London, I mean, he was pivotal, the one that led the team as LOC chairman to do that. So the capacity, the expertise, the knowledge in administration, I mean, it's not in doubt when it comes to sport. And on one can say practitioner. So a lot of kind of to find out whether Sebi Omehunu Mobo na Omamana Queen say Obe Societies Thomas Bach as the IOC president. Then Kirsty Coventry. Kirsty Coventry, a swimmer in backstroke and in individual medley, was solid for Zimbabwe. He's a minister for arts, sports, and recreation for Zimbabwe. Or a solid, and she's also the athletic commission of IOC. So she's a big girl. Obabia Sebi Entimini, IOC president. And that's why she's even the daring female, only female among the men to contest that.
Now, bet you combine both.
Because
working for Zimbabwe.
Yeah, as the president, she would step down.
Okay.
Because the Jumano. So I mean, she's also tried to see whether I was breaking the status quo of Mema Kwana, Sebi IOC or IOC president. She was a solid. She's the best Olympian African has had. Okay. Yeah. So and I also Kokana said she's already a member of the. Now they are members of the IOC in the first place. So let's see whether Obenya Akwenya to be able to have the opportunity to lead the biggest organization in the world in terms of sports, the IOC.
Sompa FM.
Now, Juan Antonio Samaran Jr. Hana Assembly Ni Papa from 1980 to 2001, 21 years. Ni Papa president of IOC.
Okay.
Now Ni Papa president of IOC. On the politics of the IOC for about 23 years.
Wow.
And he rose to be a vice president. Now, concerning the politicking and the election, he's involved in 2 elections for other people. Now, the truth of the matter is that here we are. He is now decided to contest for the first time. A very difficult part because he knows the members, he has the experience, he knows the network, the politics. So he want to contest. Sebastian Coe, for instance, it was somebody. It will come back to influence, back to relationship over 200 nations to come to those things, and then the father's influence and role will also come to play. Okay. Very interesting. Now, His Royal Highness Prince Al Hussein Jordan is also contested. Now, he's a solid in terms of money and Ukrainian issue. He's very wealthy. He's contested. I will see some process to get too cumbersome. And now, these people when they come, say I also know and corner the way or more corner there. No BM kakra assemble. Because we muốn the money back now.
Yeah.
The money back now.
But it's come a touch,
but some more corner say, "Hey, idea say be a person, young man, young crop for like maybe one Antonio Samuel
Sompa FM.
Why double F and Olympic any IOC Nankasa on fine. And that one, okay. Yeah, but apart from that, that would be good. Now, the billionaire our friend Joan Eliach is also contesting.
Wow.
Oman Joanna, yes, the billionaire.
They said yes,
of course, but there will be a lot of influence. Sebi Antonio Samuel Bana because on him working in politics in your course.
Okay.
For ni papa breast and ni papa so abe you ni papa building for capacity. Be wants to see. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So that will be the mark of a very difficult person to deal with. A banner election, your more politics, your more intiasia, your machinations. Say twist only be a woman. So he is the man to beat in this election. Now, Vladimir Putin said he wished them well. Election and they present the election the 20th of March or Greece and election will take place. But we are you can't speak to anybody until the election. Now, Vladimir Putin says that he wished them well. Don't forget, Sochi at the doping scandal.
Yeah.
Thomas Bach awoy onwanim atanim school fees in Yamanti wantimi with Russia. What it benefited, he couldn't put his feet down to deal with it. Now Russia invaded Ukraine is against the IOC charter. Now Nepal about Russia you headache.
Yeah, how to deal with them?
How do you bring them back? Say meet the obligations of the charter of the IOC and do the back and now say now what Russia has over done is
Sompa FM.
Young guys, almost but I'm putting what 20 team guys, top hackers in the world. So what they will do to you is that they will come after you, your fast and their secret BOI. So be careful, say wow, you are clean, then you can deal with them.
Okay.
But when you're cleaner, they will expose you. They've done it to the UK, they've done it to the US, they will expose you. So that is what is at stake about this particular
ideally among the why now did you say you be a better president of the IOC?
I mean, straight as Sebastian Coe.
Okay.
He's proving that at IWF.
Okay.
Sebastian Coe.
Okay. Yo.
Election, the election.
Okay. But that's a part
to your Ghana GFA election. So that's how it works.
Okay. Apostle Diatri Kanoti, you be doing come na Bibia so etima konka. Okay. Yana huna yemra. Yeba so the amamo full time and I was so good so live Sompa 93.1 yeba say
Here's Kwame and Yao. Safer, even if you're better.
Mama kwa baba gentleman dental ejumadi ayi BCC wo sen na yabo sen animal nyam so afa na ntuma pa efi wo fix one no anase ye tafre no permanent one no eno susu no yesi a untimi entu bi eno ene ye no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afi ye san eye cleaning services oba ye profession no mu na ye no scaling and polishing se ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esen no mu se bi o kasa etimi ma pampan ene ade ebamu na no oba gentleman dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho gentleman dental clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchen ho a na wodru enkran so a ye wo
if I shop, I'm sure you're bad.
Brother, and not so good. Ah,
not only herbal mixture me see ba queen why me say
bra said the time herbal mixture esia gimi ni me fie fo enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye
we dey do this o fa ni nyina
bra se me ka se me di time herbal mixture ho adanse a riase nyina ebe te me nka enti se malaria wadra ni time herbal mixture
enya nu ko die na nu mato a wontumi eni die no wadra ni time herbal mixture edwe enya ma oba wa fa afuro die wo ma akoda no fo ene akoda woni fie dumienu ansa na obeto time herbal mixture edwe ibi no hwese wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo atri malaria ibi ansa
ayo se time ni TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no ebe tua ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop to do na mu FDA agi edwadue nkratoi ato
Abusaka kraka bi wo hanu meja tom na rewu sebe wo mini se abofra keto wanya 2 years akadai ba kum nti African Spider-Man bla me abofra keto yi mu na nipa ho hia dede bi koso no ti kame ho ne ko hede wo mbia expectation ka African Spider-Man ne ba be sebo abofra yi ba prekupe ne hu African Jack wo ba be sebo abofra na wo secret kura no anything
Imboost herbal mixture and only me secret.
Na dia na ye.
Na me yetua na ma nkeka e wo fom. Ana police ni di ho adanse che me say menye na me nson hwe. Na me so hwe no. A boost immune system ama say me train na mente bre. Metimi di kama. Ama nkeka wodwom so ekoso.
Me kura so me ta yale amama ye latitude me nya baako.
Enye je ne koso hwe.
Hey, Spider-Man, what are you doing?
Fa me kura chen.
Ubenya Imboost herbal mixture and pharmacy and also herbal shops. A pin for any nkola umundi fie dumienu enom. FDA agigede nkatwe at.
Sa wope wallpapers papa to OP wallpapers and American for amount. Sa wope wallpapers they decorative offices. Sa ufie and sorry say ye paps ahodo. Baby bia wo hia wallpaper de do djuma bia no. OP wallpapers efro. Ye man wallpapers ebe match with blind curtains. Eba no bedside lamps nso a OP MR types or man shapes. Colors ahodo ni nyina. Ubenya bia to e wona so ye ho. Sa ope LED backlight e de above flash screen echi a. And so OP ebe mobi. So ope selfie ring light. Auto phone beshim. Eye OP wallpapers and ebe ma selfie ring light. OP e wo Kumasi Adum. First floor. Nana Kwesi Ajman building nemu. Tafo GNTC building first floor. Ana Chronom or barrier on the market na edian mhwe. So open wholesale and also retail. Any OP any insa so. Free OP I was 0540 353750.
If you want better future, join Ghana Grows, cause our grit be the future. Join Ghana Grows, this be one for the culture. Join Ghana Grows, cause you do my day for Ghana. Join Ghana Grows, Ghana Grows.
Kuya yomu hekwanya ubefa so nya adwuma ana ati adwuma ku a mfa so wo so e wo kuya adwuma mu ene ATVET mu enne ya so anamonne fast sawo wabusua ene wo mpatemu asetenemu bo *718*50# na beka ho sesia Ghana Grows Hope Day Ghana Grows Jumedie Mastercard Foundation ni Springboard Roadshow Foundation Limehouse ni wabuafo na Debrel
Mamenhye time HH herbal mixture bi na wonumi ene wa tadro pa eyadro se emani padua nkwamwa no enya hoden na akotia yare entwe ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebedwaso no wono a ena the time HH herbal mixture edia bedwaso akora wonyanya mfirisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo ma akora nufo enso enum bi time HH herbal mixture wo benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH herbal mixture eyadro say FDA ade edwadie nkratoe atum
Rise and shine with Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yas toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yas toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3 variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Winehead. Make Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
adwuma yegu so a ye ho adwuma nyame ya adoma bibia betoto ye dia maye enti mo send mo complaints de ba mo amofre ye da masepa Sompa FM appreciate odo amachire mpenifo gu so technicians no they are working assiduously so the baby bia betmato din na motimi anya yen clever ewo always no ye da masenti bafu polo wa ha na obesai said he was to so na ni polo no dia yiri ni komu no nya asem keto akra opani patro ho to say bibia boko bafo no uja na so pa oba ya said the boys no esi bu abaso no keto akra boys ne bu abaso because obese wo she watade ni bi di fa ba bi na abaso body onya ne match be okay odi en to aso
it's okay Nyamisha say that no Nyamisha bafopolo customers na Sompa TV ne Sompa FM etiefo nyina na ahwefo nyina Nyamisha o it's okay na dey say the odi nkan no eye nchia aha you call break kakra na ye ba no hard pa
okay
said the waben so na me fasa akonya we so e dia welcome you
thank you
because we say bafopolo ene Sompa anase Sompa sports crew there yet say abusia kese ba ko na waba be kan abusia hu there ye wo package kese kama pa ho de ma enche won so be enjoy wo there kama that cruise no enjoy no na and then me twam no wo ni to ase minti minja Ghana for sa because so mo temi nkakra so ache the one say Ghana for said the bafopolo ye na bribia no ye de nioma na ma omo so much affordable no ye say ye promotion ewo upcoming a year eba so ye 14 February ye nyina nim say Val's Day ewo hono ma ye kire do e de kire ye na dofo
okay
na bafopolo say enne no endwendwini bebre kwan obefa so ache wo dofo ade ana obeche wo maami bi wo papa bi wo nua bi wo fa bi wo boss bi ade ana se bibisa bafopolo afasa adwendwini nyina enti enne ye promo kesi pam e di Ghana fo nyina bafopolo customers nyina no baby biara wo e wo Ghana crudem ha no ye promo kesi e di ama na yen promo no ye se enne se to yen 300 Ghana cedis package na
okay
o hwa tariff fefe ye shemi ya building with quality ye ma mienu mienu no ye be sa ma a bar of chocolate won say chocolate e gina ho ma odo
debi o asmo okay there what's it saying
me say and there's a auto yen 300 Ghana cedis package no offer bafopolo yen lines here good TV as here
okay it more lines na good TV no so
yes
mo location so ahenema kokoben
oboase santasi road
okay
team ho kwan no ho a wo de wotina ka ni mu a wo ka che meeting
kokoben 18
a wo ka che ni say Messi wo bafopolo fo no
udu kokoben a no so na agedin pa 18 wo say wo de Messi 18 wo see wa
bafopolo e kwan no ho a na say
ba na package a wo de band ya ano hye no
na little kan nya no kwa yen 600 Ghana cedis package no say amount area 4 ye mount area 4 ni amount chocolate bars maku mienu afen so ye be mount 2 love cards and Messi enyi hu mfrim ye nya fasa ha woni nyina to ye ho so ye mount love cards mienu ye mount chocolate bars mienu The amount I read mako 9 na what the account and no you the 600 Ghana cedis package.
Are minya
sana ba polo.
2025 the odi wura mu no.
The edi wura mu no. The edi wura mu no. The toso mi ansan so 800 Ghana cedis package no. And the amount I read mako 6.
Hey.
Ni amount chocolate no 3 bars akese pa na mi ansan. Ni amount love cards ni mienu. The toso 9,000 Ghana cedis package no.
And to wear Valentine package no.
Valentine package. And to wash a family of 8. Ye mamontare mako 8. Ni amount 4 bars of chocolate. Che wodi wabusu afo no. Ni amount 2 love cards e the account. Na the greatest one of it no. E 1,002 package no. And on ye amount are no mako 10. Fabima wafa, Fabima boss, Fabima okunu, Fabima yere, Fabima we. Ni asama 3 bars of chocolate. Say chow perfume anu she. Kama pa.
Varas. What did the Buffalo Polo for you know?
2 love cards in the account.
Hey.
Yes. And then Ghana
Obi tonta you was a man perfume. A man chocolate. As a man love cars.
Me say wo de wo na also you busy we a banker. Enya afi na wo be kokroma ko pesa gift yi ahihye ma rapid akwa command of no. Let Buffalo Polo do this work for you. My enya say adwuma ne ma. Ya ye packages ne kama.
Wow.
Your wholesale package ni a normal package in gold, silver and then bronze package ni na ye adwuma. Your wholesale package no that's why na 2,200 Ghana cedis for 20 shirts.
Okay.
3,300 Ghana cedis for 30 shirts.
Wow.
Then 5,500 Ghana cedis for 50 shirts. It's okay. And ya me kasa pi ma me fa number no ka ho na.
Okay. Yo.
That's no ya be ne ka.
Aye.
Your numbers no and then ofa Mr. Testing. Me be kan amanfo be frefre so be busy. Eye mienu. Testing on WhatsApp o save Buffalo Polo. No test Buffalo Polo. Mo packages na mo se mo ho for Val's Day no. Mo fan share na me so me choose de be boa me na busia. E be boa me na me dofo. Look, your numbers near 0249 600 789
0249 600 789
After second line here 0599
899 919 simple 0599 899 919 Buffalo Polo.
Yes, we are the new normal.
We say package ya o dia bed company bi na wakoji on na workers no one mo bia Valentine gift. We say Buffalo Polo shirt de eshawa yetime identify as brana wa shirt fefe na okono on me bonity na what just say no so ura ha no so yes different level on Buffalo Polo or heavy power yeda se nyankopon shouti ye bedin komo wecho Ricardo Varas na atras no say the chroma uba obi ase Ricardo what you say e mari nyina say bra Ricardo atras say wode e be fie efi sem no doso Ricardo yankwai
mayenje bre na yemfa ma ya hwefo ene atiefo na afi yemfa fi sem a na se di setfa so wasote no yemfa ma wo na afi wuntimi hu de we anoma no enso asiko haso folk enso nom ye training Kumasi Asante Kotoko enso ye training enso e wo kromu ha ni na no ye de ho sem no e de bre ya hwefo ne atiefo Karim Zito Kwasi Apia mu ni na no enso kasa tamu kutu na nsem a coach Kwasi Apia eka e de fa Kumasi Asante Kotoko ho no edi se waso tentia ne mentina na memfa nsem na emfama na emom wona me tena dia na ye mega cash lucky box na me kamfo na no pai enso atimi dem an fa phone no na yenye sa exercise we star 426 *6 hash ewo phone ne so na afi wa select one of the lucky box out of 6 na afi wonso watimi follow wie pe odo sika no shame from 5 cedis call na afi watimi confirm na afi instantly watimi receive result say wodi yo say wani eno enso betimi aba enti mega cash lucky box and I make count enso watimi dem ahun mega cash lucky box was win big live large umpewe na opeden ye fire 500 Ghana cedis near the room ewo any telecell outlet na afi yakọ enso akwakoji ye 4G myfa ne yetimi di adijuma na internet na so ba ya ode internet ne ba ya fast ba ya quick enso atimi di amount na keep you updated with all the latest information na ye tell it to mo my phone na me dey ma now the 500 Ghana ekono na afi unya 10 GB free data eno enso eginam den enso atimi dia ma wo dey browse wo dey streami na afi wo dey stay connected umpewe na den na opeko na kwaje wo 4G ni bi tell is say connecting energies ye wie pe ye kwa kopesika na sika na ye pe dia na eche say eye betway se men kan cha wo say omodo mo bet save na enso atimi aba we no eye ade a eboa ama wo bet na enso atimi ay save e bia bet na koswa na timba ku bi eye neoma ense na emfata betway say ni bet save no ma exclusive writer ba kwa say menu asay nanso obetimo nya kakra enso timi akwa kodidi no say we no terms and conditions apply regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet responsibly. Ye wepe jebeko na afiako obo herba medical research center na hona ye kono ye ko na afie didia yakuma na ebo ye periperi no ye timati de free ho ye shoulder and ye neck pains no ye ti enso atimi de free ho ye high blood pressure no ye ti enso atimi de free ho na bibia enso atimi akoye wepe ni ahwe stroke na de amount diabetes no o kidney disorders na fe infertility ye betimi ahwe enso atimi de amount sanso ene ye nupa ni bi wa dwa so preke powder no aba ebe boawo ama immune support no etimagina brand sound na poor blood circulation ebeyi enso atimi e de free ho ene de aka ni na no ebetimi aboa no enso atimi akoye chronic headache ni na eye free ho enso atimi de ama akra ka ayeka so official town obehuyan Kumasi adoato adumanu na nkranza de ho ne headquarters ni wo adehimai off Adra road a ofre 0249 61 0249 76 na fe 0550 191514 na fe 0257 472506 na phone mpanifo enso atimi adi nkomo de sciatica expert semen kanto se branabaja yaresa na wo bana ye sciatica wo to ase no na etwetwen yade a unhu ano wonhu ya beka se baifo na yo nanso na ye sciatica ya na tete wo no na 21st clinic semen kanto se bra na afo munyi famfiri wo mfama yare bia ye hwe awo yakachi wo laboratory and scan services massage and machine treatment Ghana had ye 15 branches and still counting Kumasi here overseas junction ben Alpha Radio Obuase Council Quarters Court Junction behunyan Accra Domi Market Sunyane Nkranza Techiman 0249 311 311 afre 0540 311 311 ko na koja yaresa ye ko betu eni asan kwa kopesika na kopesika dia we no ya dia make chiro se ebetimi aboa ama wo cash out of ano enso atimagina brand ye betimi ya ama na wo cash no eduru ba bi a wonsu batimi ayi wontina wonya me ha ma osika no enso entimi nhye ade a omo enso the emergency service aba emergency service ne ye den a ye betway cash out offer wa de a eko na sika na duru ba bi agidi se agina ye no quick ni watimi ayi enso atimi dia 2 year na bet no enso entimi anko say terms and conditions applied regulated by Ghana Gaming Commission not recommended for under 18 years of age ye pe ni ya twi yese ama yanum enso atimi ada ho ye didi a ya tene de ye betwi yese ni ya didi ni ya tene de dia na ye ya toothpaste eni om toothbrushes no na me kanfo enso atimi de ma wo ewo mu miensa o se men kan cho se total care no ebeboa na ma wo se no eye full protection na fa yi enso de free cavities ni ho ahwan no na ma wo se no enso atimi agina brane sanso na whitening toothpaste ni wo ho e ma wo se na ye fita ni watimi akasa asre enso woni pom eye herbal toothpaste ni enso wo ho me ka kire wo se ebeboa na protective layers no na ma wo se no enso atimi aye dindindin am ebebo ma no ma enso atimi akoyo wie pe na toothbrushes no wape prince ni bi wape princesses ni bi wape monarch wape duke na fe kidi toothbrushes no watimi apeni na bi na wonso watimi da ko akwakoki wo se eye 0302235296 na fe one yasefo enso atimi adi nkomo me nkona me ni nkomo ene me ka kire wo se empanifo beji bre no ma vet Ghana yen sports minister empanifo aboni din so okọ vet no na bibia atimi kokoyi a ono nso ba behwe na afi yen sports no watimi ahwe so eno eye honorable eye Kofi Adams a ono na okọ akohwe na afi vet no enso atimi akoso na manfo enso ereshi ne good luck ni ade a yede ho sem ede ma we nando pay enso ewo dwumadie ne so na coach a Jefani Ibrahim Tanko ono enso apiem ewo tako ho no kwako di ne dwuma na wo say trophies ne de ebeba medema ye team kese okromanti trophies de enya de a eye problem Ibrahim Tanko edin komani say
that is in the nature of the sports we are in. We always want to be better. Definitely, and the success is there, like I said before, and I'm here also to achieve something. So definitely, before my end of my tenure, I'm sure that the caps will be more. Yeah, well, I mean, that's in the nature of
Baba ye adwuma ma bibia no enso atimi akọ ntentem so memfiri ho na mfuma ne nkyire mu dawo na me kọ Daudi a coach a je fe no Karim Zito no ene ye head coach de ma medema boboku na no da bi Ghana ya branch ba ku firi Ghana awura mu enso obaso na team nim a branch fe no Aziz onya bi mo amanfo no ene opani a je fe ni bra ye Karim Zito enso adin komoda fa Abdul Aziz ho
for him and for myself. This boy started with God to trust. That is our coach team. They promoted him to Steve Belief. For Steve Belief, and I didn't buy it. Do you know his first match? First 90 minutes match was against Kinfisa, final FA knockout finals. And that day was the best player. You remember? And that was the beginning of Aziz. And you know, I'm very, very happy for him. I'm happy for myself, and I'm happy for the club. Barcelona is one of the best clubs in the world. There is what Timam Kuti player, Mama for player, it means quite dear. I'm
coach Karim Zito too just say so no take Ghana ha ni watimi coach player friend Abdul Aziz na Barcelona be fan de ne kwa ani mo nyam hye de man na ni age da mo no ho na ni age ene ma branch friend Abdul Aziz no ene nsem we free ho ba na Dreams FC performance no enye eno so coach Karim Zito adi nkomori afa ho
well, so my heart, but we have a like the excuse for our concept. You know, when you look at our players in our found it is Division 2, Division 1. You be in a call for division. I'm saying, you know, have a camp. You know, your concept or your Kolan. We train them and change their lives through football. Yes, the be done here, but we are sure, say, you're now forever. We'll stay in the league, and then we adjust ourselves for the next season.
Coach Karim Zito just say we Dreams FC supporter o ma warehemu say nya de o meko relegation da o mehwe na afi o maginam na afi next season no o mo enso atima ye ne o ma ye no ne nsem a e free ho ba me de air 2 anim nyampo chi na 6 p.m. e team efe na Accra House of Folk and Heart of Lions and na airborne ahead of the game ya won say House of Folk ye training na ni ajeyi assistant coach e de ma team wa efe na Heart of Lions o say they are really well prepared.
We are preparing very well, both tactically and then mentally, because this game is mentally and then tactical game. So preparing both sides, because House will come in with aggression to come and win this game. So we are preparing very hard, mentally, tactically, and everything. So we are good. Oh, now everybody is well prepared. Everybody.
And some assistant coach at my Heart of Lions near J and so two Jan Paya Bobby Amawonso was so at Timiate, Jem Free Hall, Nayanko House of Folk, House of Folk, and so a training now, and Ranchen and prepare ahead of Gima. And no answer battle between Heart of Lions and across the folk away a Michael Awana who are Monosanson or CSB and one so no answer and more coaches no Eddie did commercial Moabe who a players now Robibra or more answer Timoma or more answer a training in preparation towards Heart of Lions where Pobimaya ho and a training no and sweating goggles as we speak. Player Biano and so etimi a feta injury situation Biano and so that any a brantia a friend set or send him say on said after any a feta on Timin canning now for no ho and no name some free House of Focus so ye ba the name wa no pay e wo dwumadi ne so coach Kwesi Apia urama ono na ye head of technical affairs e wo Kumasi Asante Kotoko Kumasi Asante Kotoko me no kasai omo na Ghanaian Premier League no omo da sora bibie koye e de mo mwadi nkomo e de afa Kotoko being top of the Ghana Premier League.
I'm to talk about more everything because we have a share preparation towards to try to I'm hoping and believe Robert Martin celebrate beats me. I still top part there. Every easy there, but all the same, fighting every game, you know, which is fighting with our best team. I know it beats me actually.
Some coach Kwesi Apia ono head coach at the Sudan national team near head of technical affairs at the Kumasi Asante Kotoko near Tese Odin Kumoso no be dan o say adwuma aye so ntimi he emiam na fa mutimi tokos we no ne nsem a e free ho ba na say no aye na asere
yɛsra amanfoɔ yɛkɔ amanfoɔ hɔ yɛdi nkɔmmɔ ɛno no nneɔma a ɛkɔ so ɔtowado ɛnso visit yɛn players no nano ada yɛhu so wɔ ne ɛyɛ aberanteɛ fɛ no Alexander Juku ɛnso ɛtumi gyina hɔ wakɔ akɔ visit no ɔsan so ɛkɔ ɛyɛ Thomas Tepati ɛnso training grounds a wakɔ sra no yɛhu sɛ ɔne atɛtɛ twatwa pictures ne adeade a ɛsɛ nam sɛ ɛnsrahwɛ no a mu ne yɛkɔ no mu sɛ ɔsra no nso ɔne atɛta mo saa sɛ Juku so bi a yɛsɛ mɔ yi no mu na wosuasua adeɛ no afei World Cup no wode ba bɛboa yɛn nti ɛno ne nsra no a ɛno ɛnso ɛtumi kɔkɔ so no a yɛde ho nsɛm no ɛde ɛto anim little nsɛm no dɔɔso na mmom gye sɛ ɔmmerɛ no ɛnso a yɛbrɛ sɛ ɛnɛ no yɛbɛtwa so ntɛm nti ma memfa nsi fam na afei wo nso ne ɛyɛ abadwafoɔ no ɛnso ɛntimi hwɛ na bibia ɛnso ɛntimi ɛnkɔ so na mmom sɛ yɛnsrahwɛ nko a ne yɛde yɛ coach ne deɛ a ɛmesɛ nka
dabi asɛm a wokai deɛ coach ɔkɔ akɔsra ne players ɛnyɛ nsrahwɛ nkwa sɛ is part of the coaching what I say you must allow the players to feel say you are part of them and you understand them.
But you na kwa mo na ne dia mo ne nkomo. Spain coach ne friend saying.
De La Fuente.
Da na hu se wo ko basa akosra Yama. Da na hu se wo ba England. No ba be.
Omo coach anko yesu ye coach anko.
Ye coach an se be fit team players.
Oh.
Ghana for ye ba Afcon ya.
Apostle. Apostle.
But Udim say
Apostle.
The difference is that you were a challenge. Ufre players, national team call up, players rejected it. Omuka and Sembebre. And then one kasa so one twins in terms of issues of captaincy, how you handle it, how you handle dress room. So it's an opportunity for you to make amends. Okay. That's the difference. Or making amends, he has to be sincere and open with them. Non your munyankita on they say, Adie, and I'm with man tuni ye. Sebi okay the issue about say no question nobody spoke to him. All those things must be trashed out. They're very important. Say on sure no credit because now as a coach you must be sincere and open. Okay. Where the need comes to you for say okay so me sorry sort maker. What do I say? Then somebody who come with the way of person we better. What do you say? And how a player no questions like Pate, how are all important integral part of your person you go in 2026
and he's the captain of the national team.
So no, please. So they said that he has not retired and he still had opportunities playing.
Okay.
He's not retired. No.
So they did you in frame.
Only no frame, Pacho. Coach no bekas or in frame. What is important because see, I want us to do matters of facts. On cars were in the frame. Or see, send a modern bono to us on a course year. That's what himself, the question said, over invited me. So it's important that we put our record. Then also, near here, see, and say, dressing room, no, separate atmosphere, and papa. And on what decisions are we taking in relation to captaincy and then choice of players. And so, or Jumaya, and on one, I say, not building back the GDA, the trust that the players lost in him and then the confidence. He is supposed to move and go and get those things done. Okay. Because Uber call up 16 match. Your World Cup qualifier, 16 match. Uber call up. Before World Cup, I saw Mendy, Niama Way, Omonium was some more. Every only player being about decision you take of our dream be.
Okay.
What do I say? Yeah. While players decide to boycott call-ups and my flimsy excuse them, then you have to deal. You are the head coach. Yes. You have to deal. Nobody have to. You have to deal with it. Nemo means nya side GDN wo wa nkasa wo mu biom. Wo na obe from. And before obe from mu biom no. Now one making sure say nsem ba ko mienu ho nia no we CC to a large extent. Se bi wo ho na emo ayedia. That's why fortunately I have a vice chairman of the committee, Stephen Apia.
Yeah.
And no yet then he after Nyoko who ye successful, then he will step in.
No CC.
Because Stephen Apia stepping in. But I would have loved it. If you had time na appointment no by na coach no schedule I would have loved it and continue no ko Ankabebo.
Stephen Apia.
Yeah, that would have killed everything. Yes, Ankabebo. But what about the case maybe on one can say the Kako? Not me successful. Still we can pick it up from there and make sure say we were smoothing grounds to be before you better call up.
Let the young umpire you Ghana near Bompire because
Empire baby
say injuries tonight me young qualify for AFCON.
Is it true? Apostle.
Now we are qualified.
Injuries now me into qualify.
I wish he didn't.
A GFA, a spokesperson.
Nam say.
And a
Yoma or the bread woman, injuries. Any decision.
Okay, much is better yen top players for them to come on board.
Please. Sometimes it's better not to speak than to speak.
Apostle, you look as you say,
because there's a moon.
Oh,
no, I'm being blunt with you, please. We are not kids in this country. We saw what transpired. We saw the poor performance of players and the coaches. We saw the coach in Angaza, the tactics in a game. You only substitution in count. So please, we are not kids. Sebi, you have to. Omo apologize. I disagree with the medium, but whatever it is, Omo apologize in a way. But please don't insult your sensibilities. Mondi di atema sise Ghana for ni nyansa. Ghana for ni abo ye to come and tell us sebi injuries. The coach should not try that. And we cry yes all count because I knew when him was here sebi. Emma said for us to it's an insult. For us to say how many key injuries do you have as absentees?
Absent.
Now I'm in person we like I said we in Sebunu. So I don't want to encourage it. Me encourage you na me yama credence me ya actually say sebe insa sem nyansa wo sebe yanko AFCON because the coach and the Black Star Management Committee and FA in general were poor in all their actions and decisions and steps they took. That's the bottom line.
Yeah.
So accept it wholeheartedly. Say ya patch what they've done or my patch. So it ends there. But some barber reason be sebi and sounding well to us. Then a chop and say be there for so be so.
Okay.
One patch. So let's move on. And now says that we are facing a World Cup qualifier match. Then we do that. But wait the Mukasa. The Minister for Sports, I will not say much because the point is that it's going to be vetted to the Obaba Juma. Sebi nipa be ade ono nya de ni trim. Even your past achievement does not matter because the dynamics of a Nejuma are different. So for me, obe covet or covet na ni obe kano ye bet na ye dia measure no oba ejum oba officer or assuming officer na hwe se sebi o niam o kan ye se wa hu se problem confronting ye sebi sports and recreation oba niam oba ye no kan ya vet owia na fe de o my timeline na ye di measure no se ni o kan no o ya na onye. So I don't really want to give much into the vet because sebi minim no can for issues are
already we're raising question about Sika yedi host all African games $245 million say also parliament just na sa Sika no yes our tournament ni him we're raising this question I will say oba in focus pa pa.
Well I hope it does because since some no be browa and toasu the responses we were to say you need wit as if say be Ghana no I mean only answer papa be amaya just keep quiet. So it's good because Ghana mudi shame there. Maybe I know a lot of things that have gone wrong but Sebe is not any me myself say Semeka omo amuda LOC penyefo no amuda no omo amuda committees sub committees anu nyina they are there. So as here from una omo come no masem say sika yesimu say we never found them who use you the saying what they say there'll be a lot of invoices and receipts that should show say sika we are using sana so when the time comes now or diminish it that's not the only challenge confronting the ministry it's just one of the many challenges that confront the ministry until me spending too much time on that. So you can start that while simultaneously share other things say the major thing you should look at me for me is about sponsorship that we don't have in our league.
That should be look. I don't know. I was a minister in Juma.
It should be part of his job. I didn't think anything in Juma. He should call the FA to find out why. That's why I'm a boss. You should find out why, and then find out why if there's a challenge. He, as a minister, he has more weight than the FA. FA is just one of the disciplines under him.
Okay.
And baby, no so better me boa. No a boa, omo. And then make sure, sir. Boy means that phone calls on networking being a company be every one of the state agents but now you make sure send any feature how the money is spending but He has a role to play.
Okay.
Yeah, and developing young players now clubs in this car. What happens to the national teams? The junior national team, the senior national team. And you know, what happens?
Yeah.
And we are minister for what? So that's also part of his job for him to make sure he look at all those things. I think that Tanko, this is his biggest job in terms of club level. King Faisal,
from Accra Lions to
yes,
Mediama.
yeah, Mediama is always switching Accra on people. So,
maybe one of the few people I know who say Tanko baby was starting free and then say we still being the assistant of Cameroonian national team. Ni profile
say
internationally.
National team coaches and decisions of the states, and only Feka food ni Cameroon are buying issues like understand it and just safe seat for anybody. You know the unyanka, but say your property. If they sack your boss, you go with your boss. So that's unyanka. But the most important thing is there's an opportunity after Accra Lions to coach a team. That is one. The team is more demand. Expectation was reach Accra Lions. That's medium. I mean, former league champions. They just went Africa. They were in a group stage. Who they has here?
Yeah.
They were in a group stage against CR Belouizdad, Ali, then Younger. So this is a team who got taste Africa. They want more. They want to win the league and go back to Africa.
Okay.
To make the supporters or Takwan import them very happy. Who they has here? Go visit Takwa Damayo Maduma Zama Stadium. Come about Amamu. So the community are expectant, the fans are expectant. So it's not going to be business as usual.
Okay.
Like I said, club level, this is his biggest job at club level. So now, I don't doubt his abilities. It's a different terrain to him. At Accra Lions, let me say, losing matches away 2-3 normal. Because system of more pre to no fan colafrin crasi in colanketing titiomo eton. Titito Bahia, Tititonuswa. They want to win trophies. Okay. So no kind of trophies.
Yeah.
They want to win trophies. They want to go on a continental tournament, Africa, either CAF Champions League, CAF Confederation Cup. So the expectation is high. It means that the demand on who coach with Juma year would need a year for the result to turn out is important. How you improve players. Players I also see about that's one of the marks of a good coach. I saw improve your performance. Next year team no near always see and you'll be using the whilst you look at areas I think should be improved in the course of the season or next season. What do I say? Yeah. Whilst on your opponent's grab on, you have to look at who differentiates after technically what's the team we baby a to Kakao. Then you will see how to plus this, as we speak now, the transfer window is closed. Now one making sure so you pencil them down for next season. Say Tokruna Ebia Kakao normal plug. So he has his work cut out for him.
Okay.
And I know sir his experience, but Juma, this coaching job is so forgiving, and he should do his best and see how far it takes the media team.
Okay, me that's it. Apostle, any today, Kano. Messiah, Ubefia issues be brave.
Yes.
Utwado nama broches are.
Insrahene very important. To be very honest with you, the team was disjointed after we failed to qualify for the AFCON. Ran all form, and there were a few talks here and there.
So we're sure how to manage campus. According to say, I know be too more patch.
And I don't know you know. Maybe one way or the other, it is good. This is why within the next plan we will have for Ghana football. No, Yemma. Scanner Education for a month, and then Jumedi now would in the head coach of the local blacks. And Milo did it. Obeka Milo Varavachi, the Echo Chan tournament.
Yeah.
Bako, Eddie Bay.
Yeah.
Below Yebi, the Echo Chan tournament. And then no kind of bridging the gap between the foreign players and the local players now. You need be a opportunity to join the team.
So the best bet
would be for the World Cup in 2010.
The best bet would be an assistant coach that is a locally based coach who is good.
Agreed.
And you could say appear name Maxwell for the 2014 channel.
Agreed.
Because of the head
but the issue is now having a competent assistant coach.
They are there. Is the FA that must do the
what did they mention as
so competent
after Kwesi Appiah and Maxwell Kunodu assistant I've not seen any proper competent assistant coaching.
when you have John Pencil, he know the system.
The standard.
Only system, only players. He can help to
save him. We are not discussing.
Masokradu was an assistant of. Well, share the difference, no. Milovan Ravat, the head coach for Main Black Stars, at the Echo AFCON final, was at the Echo Chan tournament final. Masokradu was an assistant of the Black Stars, or the Echo Chan tournament final. We had under 23 Maputo, Kwesiapia, Echo Winnie, no, assistant. Maybe up to now, maybe Benya All African Games, Desmond Affair.
Okay.
Say on also work be, but a mood drone in the Juma didn't say the city, no, because $70,000 or whatever it was going to be paid, not the exact figure. Okay. But Skabia or to adu GBA, you see, scan was raw. Scan was also a young Wajuma. Yeah. Obey a Wajuma, a local game in near your man, is a nan in Namu.
Now I should be watching a local league.
Yes, none Namu now watching. And now, you want to quadro, you must be watching a local league. Yeah, come on and Nama man on last time. How
many times?
Oh, okay, science.
The excuse you are giving, say, a Jumano, there's risk at home. Risk at home. Yana 17 yana 20 coaches, now you didn't come over has a little.
Yeah.
You look at come fast to travel, choir scouts and the bad under 17 yana 20 now, you marvel.
So
you are being paid huge amount of money. See, so to add any by Juma. More money working for scanner watching. Simple.
Send one way you want to
that is and what to do Quaco Sasra Wemo. The same money near Juma. I better come for local blast and can hold crown near Jumano. Yantinasi will be a fire. Suddenly, Yenyayo. Yenya charity.
Oh, when you are a coach of the senior,
let a coach work for his money.
Or a coach of the senior national team, the Blasters. Or you coach for a local Blasters. One Blasters, they know. What's that way?
Sanya catch Milova. I do my crown or Blasters.
Blasters, they go. Blasters, they go. So sad way by the cannon. Okay. Apostle, I want to the Canada, a comia de Desire. Young corner, young coding como Joe Cam Roofing Company Limited. I make a choice. Hey, Mr. Wusu Danny Vienna, would do Lentla. I was so with Timian Joe Cam for. Now, on board down so mount. What I say, woman, a bun quality roofing she's a more who do na womobi. No munya de, woman chance new crew down so mount say Kim, hey, in so better, and from a jump to the bubble, and found the basic. Not just said down and sober pa. And now, me patch or mon chance a self cleaning. Would the mammy and canina or matsasia, ye no more ebedin come. Mammy, now I want to say, Bibiaboko, we are quality to say Joe Cam. We are quality pa, and some to cry. Yenin como, Joe Cam.
Mamma, for more 80. Na menda o masise o mugusu ana o mutie sompa yenim se adwuma pa sompa eye no so ne ho akatua e da kire se wo benya
se sompa de e makatua pa sompa makatua pa Bible say why no person ye kese o se de o person ye kese no onya akoda according say obesom na wo sompa so a wonya akatua pa nti we no eye nyankopon na akato ti sompa no eye very biblical nyankopon nu asem no
that's it if no when you see utie ha no wo say utie every bible what you see everything for my main fancy astronko every joy came Roofing Company Limited and family baby bia wo na meka joy came company limited da e bia ene afena what say dwumaku edin e dwumaku kese a edwuma ye die ene say ye chanchensen e de bodan so ye chanchensen e de bodan so sa statement in patchotie ne hye so obi wo hono ma wo se me bodan so but on chanchensen meaning or agent
okay
enti joy came ye chanchensen e de bodan so
okay mu chanchensen
e de bodan so
e de bodan so mo specialist expert ho a mo chanchensen wi no o mo ye estimation hwe chance ye beso na o mo ankasa sa boso amaw
na say na hye no etie wusi wodan ni wie na wudu ba bia wodi nu egusu a obi wo hono ma wo se ompe problem bia opese company na ankasa e na edi nu ne gudan so
okay
enti ya wo ma ya tete wo mu a omu enim nua ne bopa na ya mo ma ba be fa estimate no obe kire wo se nua no ebia da homa de ni we die ni nua de guma hodo bebre bet unnimu na wankasa wo kwa ye de bebu enti omu di wanim na omu ne wo kwa wa kire se we na ape na wato nua no omu di abegusu kama mam enu wachi no ye beba be frodan no ni aye estimate eno na de na wo ka no
me ade ba kwa me pe wo mo no se mo ye transparent se omu ba be estimation na wo ho okay ni a church nua no mu di a kire wo enua we na me pe na omo di wachi na wanka so akwa akoto omo boss no so wo ho enti bibie mu no omo ma bibie mu da ho omo mu
no say na eko company no ene wo dealing straight
okay
enti enu achi ne de nua na aguso awie ne ye be san be frodan no ye wo mo mususu dan so me be kotwa nchensen
okay
enu ye kan say free estimate
okay
enti say ye ne de nua no guso se wa so na wo carpenter no de guso ofre ya ba bi dan ni hye bia no ye beba ni aba be fa estimate no amount ye fa estimate ni wi a ye wo broni ka me bi say invoice ye susu se sika we na wutu a ye betimi awie wo dan no e de amount enti joy kam ye dwuma kese ye pa ye die sa na hyehye ye no etie na ani gisem e wom ni say free Christmas no eba no e free 2024 November na eba na ye promotion asa promotion ya making a free installation promotion na ye ebe ende February end ya na ebe ko ewiye eni ni se wutie me ni aba be fa wo estimator ni ama wo invoice abomodin so betime tu esika ni bi ato ho no amasa promotion ya make ho asemi won so won sa etimi aka bi kumase ya se wo be ho yen e wo sokoban ampame yani police station no na edi enimhwe se okọ pizza a o se wo hwehwe akela ono so yani ne di nsa wo so pa ye nchense no se ba na alozinka ho no megu ho bebre
o hemfa
o pizza ho no modu ho no ma akela me pa chon the number is 0244 692 921 akela number no friend na
pizza alozinka
no benya bi wo ho no mo anasa opese ye mebo long span so ma wa wo be frɛ ye ni aba be fire estimate no ye community no ye sheda nkan kwa atrubi pebre your number no is 055 100 700 700 number we wo frɛ na baby a wo bia no ebetimi ene wo edinsa wo so ye nchense no ye kan long span na ye wo MSL SL IDT na IBL ye sanso wo Erohouse ye wo Alozi company na nkasa de e wo market sanso na IBL standard sheet eno so e wo ho ye free delivery ye branches wo fa Ghana baby a ye pese wo bebie open na joy kemage na ho enti branches ni de bia na ye bie ko ye wo Techiman Sunyane Bolga Tamale wa Achimota Dodowa Kaswa Takrade Doma na Kumase enti baby a wo bia no ofan wo Kumase ha na se wo dan no e wo Bolga ye wo mo beko akofa no mahwa so ni wadi nsa wo so ana se wo dan no e wo nkran ofan na ye de hofo number be ma ya ye ne such a way say omre na wanya joy kem omre kra na watime ye ne ye edinsa wo so na ye sanso eye bibi ya ye kan se trusses se me kan trusses ana de de gudan so story ahodo ene nyuma ku akese na se warehouses a Ghana ha na ye sini bebre ndodo na use trusses na trusses no so no egumu ahodo bebre na meka mienu ho asem ye wo trusses a ye de aluminium one ho ene wo metal one ho and even the sizes no so eguma ahodo it obi wo ho no be ba fa estimate am be kasa we ni de na ne bo from pa so be hwe ne sizes no na e wo from enti de be hia ne sa wo be fran yen na ya kyerɛkyerɛ mu trusses nye se na de egusu nti no na wo so kwa kofa bi de egusu ati ase esansa wo hwe nkofo bebre na wo bo eno na bo nkofo ho eno mu ntimi enye trusses no because wo ho se obi aye bi na nsusu no ebu agum ni nyina ne se nipa no wamfa na amfam se bia wo pewe ya na se wo pewe nti wo expert ho no wo ba behye no so abekiro de beboa wo enye se wo kan ya na kikikikiki wo de abegu dan ne so amaw enti mesira trusses no Joyka Company Limited yankasa ye factory no ɛwɔ hɔ no ma yɛdi twa trases no yɛ factory no ɛwɔ dodowa sisi ame no wɔka sɛ ya yɛtwa saa nadeɛ no ɛwɔ dodowa ɛde ɛba enti mesrɛw ɛne yɛ ninsa wɔ so ɛsan sɛ Joy Chem Company Limited deɛ efiri tete ɛne ɛne mo atena ne yɛ sɛ yɛba ne yakɔda bi yɛba ne ɛne mo aba abetena nti baabi a wo bia no obetimi afrɛ yɛn yɛyi nnwuma obi wɔ kwa woni Ghana ha sɛ wo hwɛ me wɔn line obetimi afrɛ yɛn oni Ghana ha sɛ so yɛbetimi ayɛ n'adwuma complete ama no yɛhia sɛ ɔbɛkyerɛ yɛ sɛ ɛdan no ofa ebi ama me fa yɛ location yɛ nyɛ mfa to ho ebi a medan no ɛwɔ sɔkɔban wodu ampa me a police station hɔ no mo no ɛkyire hɔ no ma wobɛhu sɛ medan no wɔ hɔ ne wodu a nipa so masi na ɛhwɛ dan no so kɔ ne nkyɛn na ɔnkyerɛ ɔdan no ne kɔ susu asa yɛsusu wie a sikasɛm ɔde ɛno ne bɛdili ne ayɛ dan no complete ɛde amount na ne gye sɛ mɛwɔm ne sɛ yɛbɔ dan no so wie a ɛnam sɛ yɛdwuma pa a yɛyɛ ne yɛpɛ sɛ obi hu na wɔsan afrɛ yɛm yɛkɔyɛ ne dwuma nti no yɛgya yɛ number ɛne yɛ din ɛwɔ ho na number no ɛnyɛ baako no aka sɛ mefrɛ yɛ ankɔ numbers ni yɛ 2 ɛna gu ho obɛnya 055 100 5000 wɔ ho saa so na obɛnya 055 100 7000 ne nyina wofrɛ yɛ na baabi a wo bia no yɛbɛba yɛaba bɛfa wo estimate no yɛtimi ɛdi nsa wɔ so
okay me das ba Joy Chem Roofing Company Limited ɛna yɛte ɔmo nka no me na me ka kyerɛ sɛ ɛba ne sɛ wopɛ expert ɔmbɔ bɔdan so mu twa nkyɛnse sa bɔdan so deɛ a na sɛ wo so wobɛsan Joy Chem ho deɛ a wode wo nsa bɛgu ti o ɛnɛ nneɛma no ba bɛgum obu a owie ma wabɔ sɛ 3 months later na wotiam wate aseɛ nti fa ho kɔbɔ Joy Chem na ɔmmɛyɛ w'adwuma no ɛma wo na wankasa da bia wode adanse bɛba wobɛka sampa yɛkyerɛ wo baabi pa yo nyankopɔn hyɛ pa Joy Chem foɔ yɛdam ase ka yɛbɛpɛ sɛ ka yɛbɛtoa so na ɛnɛ momfa nkyɛ yɛ paa sɛ yɛmfidie no nneɛma bebree asanka yɛ kakra yɛn technicians no egu so mo yɛ ho adwuma dendenden paa anya asɛm ketewa nti wadawro ma mepaakyɛw ɛnɛ deɛ ɛsiyɛ ɛwɔ yɛn mfidie no ho ɛwɔ radio no so ɛwɔ Facebook no YouTube no so bia na mo de akyɛ yɛn technicians ne yɛn mpanimfoɔ gu so a ɔmo yɛ ho adwuma Sompa ɛbɛsom Sompa ama ho so ɛtimi atɔ ti yɛde bɛsi na wɔmatimi anya kwan na wɔmatimi atoa so ɛmiemie mfidie no mfuruma na ɛtimi gya ne na so paa na wɔatimi anya quality sound ama bibia ɛtimi akɔnkan wote Apostle Jeffrey Asarenka wote Akomia the Sports Messiah wote nenka Bishop Atapoku wote nenka Ricardo Varas wote nenka Mr. Wack Cinco de Mario Roland Ajenim Boateng Roberto Firmino the finisher Orlando wote omone e produce djuma de bi ding ane le talking nyankopon insha pa se unya so na wutie yenti ye de besi nyame adoma ochena anopa 7 a.m. near the tip of Abremo na about 9:30 near the full time and so at the Abro se wo sha me catch us ha Sompa TV and afi Sompa 93.1 Sompa ma akatuapa sia bonga ashanti bye bye yakramo